Ibinigay ko sa aking anak ang passbook ng aming joint account. 10 milyong piso yon ang ipon ko para sa aming pagtanda. Kinabukasan, wala nang natira. 0. Inilipat niya lahat sa pangalan ng asawa niya. Akala niya, iyon na ang lahat. Ngunit ang pinakamalaking investment ko, na nakapangalan sa yumaong asawa ko, ay malapit ng anihin. At hindi niya iyon alam. Bago mo marinig ang buong kwento ng isang amang nanahimik, mag-subscribe ka muna, baka dito mo marinig ang sarili mong tinig. Ako si Aling Corazon, 60 taong gulang. Sa ganitong edad, marami na akong pinagdaanan, mga ligaya at peghati, ngunit may isang gabi na hinding-hindi ko malilimutan, isang gabi na nagpabago sa lahat. Maligayang bagong taon, inay. Ngayon, umalis ka na. Iyan ang eksaktong mga salitang lumabas sa bibig ng aking anak, si Ricardo, bago isinara ang pinto sa aking mukha. Ang tunog ng pagpihit ng kandado ay umalingaw sa buong pasilyo, tila ba nag-echo sa bawat sulok ng aking pagkatao. Manatili ako roon, nakatayo, hawak ang aking lumang maleta sa isang kamay, at ang supot ng tamales na buong pagmamahal kong inihanda sa kabilang kamay. Walang lakas ang aking mga paa upang gumalaw. 8 oras akong naglakbay sa bus papunta sa Maynila. May pag-asa sa puso, para lamang makasama siya sa pagsalubong sa bagong taon. Ngunit tinaboy niya ako, tila ba isang estranghero, isang sagabal sa kanyang perpektong buhay. Ang lamig na nadama ko sa pasilyong iyon ay hindi lamang galing sa hangin ng Enero. Ito ay ang lamig ng pagtanggi, ng pag-iisa, ng masakit na katotohanan na ang sarili mong anak ay kayang tumingin sa ampersand apos, yun na parang ikaw ay isang pabigat. Maraming buwan ko nang plinano ang paglalakbay na yon. 5 taon na mula nang lumipat si Ricardo sa Maynila. Nagpakasal siya kay Bianca, isang babaeng hindi kailanman nakapagsalita sa akin ng higit sa 3 salita ng tuloy-tuloy. Ayoko ng gulo. Gusto ko lang makasama ang aking anak sa bagong taon, makita ang kanyang mukha, mayakap siya, paalalahanan siya na ang kanyang ina ay narito pa rin, umiiral. Pagdating ko sa kanilang gusali ng hapong iyon ng Disyembre 31, pagod ako ngunit masaya. Dala ko ang mga tamales na gawa ko mismo, ang paborito ni Ricardo simula pagkabata. Tamales na may mole, binalot ng buong pagmamahal na kayang ibigay ng isang ina. Kinatok ko ang pinto. Narinig ko ang mga yabag. Kaunting bukas lang. Siya, si Ricardo, aking Ricardo. Ngunit ang kanyang tingin, ang kanyang mga mata, ay parang sa isang taong hindi ako kilala. Ampersand quote, inay, anong ginagawa ninyo rito? Ampersand quote, tanong niya na tila gulat. Ampersand quote, dumating ako para salubungin ang bagong taon kasama ka, anak. Tumawag ako sa ampersand apos, yun noong nakaraang linggo. Hindi mo ba naalala, ampersand quote. Lumingon siya. Narinig ko ang boses ni Bianca mula sa loob. Ampersand quote, sino yan, Ricardo? Ampersand quote, si inay, ampersand quote. Sagot niya, hindi pa rin binubuksan ang pinto ng malaki. Nagkaroon ng katahimikan, isang katahimikan na tumagal ng 3 segundo lang. Ngunit para sa akin, ito ay walang hanggan. Narinig ko ang mga yabag ni Bianca na lumalapit. Lumitaw siya sa tabi ni Ricardo. Tiningnan niya ako mula ulo hanggang paa. Ang kanyang mukha ay puno ng paghamak. Ampersand quote, hindi po kayo nagpasabi na darating kayo. Ampersand quote, sabi niya may peking ngiti. Ampersand quote, nagpasabi ako. Kinausap ko si Ricardo noong nakaraang Lunes. Ampersand quote, inilag ng tingin si Ricardo. Ampersand quote, inay, hindi po magandang oras. May mga plano po kami, ampersand quote, plano, anak. Bagong taon ngayon. Akala ko makakasama tayo. Ikinrus ni Bianca ang kanyang mga braso. Ampersand quote, Aling Corazon, may reserbasyon po kami sa isang napaka-eleganteng kainan. Hindi po kayo pwedeng sumama ng ganyan, nang hindi nagpapasabi. Ampersand quote, ganyan, tila ba ako ay isang problema? Tila ba ang aking presensya ay isang abala? Ampersand quote, gusto ko lang makasama kayo sandali. Hindi ko na kailangan pumunta sa eleganteng hapunan. Maaari akong manatili rito, maghintay, o kaya ampersand apos, na umalis ng maaga, ampersand quote, bumuntong hininga si Ricardo. Tiningnan niya ako ng mga matang dati ampersand apos, na puno ng pagmamahal, ngunit ngayon ay puro pagkaasiwa na lang ang ipinapakita. Ampersand quote, inay, sa totoo lang, hindi po magandang oras. Ampersand quote, Ricardo, ako ang iyong ina. 8 oras akong naglakbay para lang makita ka. Ampersand quote, sana
within them.
nagpasabi po
Come to
kayo
the
ng mas
program.
maaga.
We're glad you could join us
Putol ni
today
Bianca.
as we explore the beauty of our
Ampersand
local
quote,
tropical
hindi po namin
gardens
pwedeng
and the
baguhin ang
community
aming mga
growing
plano
within
ng
them.
ganoon
Come to
lang.
the program.
Ampersand quote,
We're
may
glad you could
naramdaman
join us
akong
today
nabasag sa
as
loob
we
ko,
explore the
ngunit
beauty of
sinubukan
our
ko pa
local
ring
tropical
magpakalma.
gardens and the community
Ampersand
growing
quote,
within
sige,
them. Come to the
naintindihan ko.
program. We're glad
Pwede
you could
bang
join us
pumasok
today
muna para
as we
uminom ng
explore
isang
the
basong
beauty of
tubig?
our local tropical
Pagod na
gardens
pagod ako
and
sa
the
biyahe.
community growing
Ampersand
within
quote,
them. Come
tiningnan
to
ni
the
Bianca
program.
si Ricardo.
We're glad you could join us today
Umiling siya.
as we explore the beauty of
Ampersand
our
quote,
local
mas
tropical
mabuti po kung
gardens
hindi,
and the
inay.
community growing within them.
Magulo po ang
Come to the
bahay.
program.
Ampersand quote,
We're glad you
magulo.
could join us today as we
Naabutan kong
explore the
silipin sa
beauty
likod
of our
nila.
local tropical
Ang
gardens
sala ay
and the
malinis na
community growing
malinis.
within them. Come to the program.
Nagniningning.
We're glad you could
May
join
mga
us today
sariwang
as
bulaklak
we
sa mesa,
explore the
mga
beauty of
kristal
our
na
local
kopa na
tropical
nakahanda.
gardens
Lahat
and the
ay handa
community
para sa
growing
isang
within them.
pagdiriwang.
Come to the program.
Isang
We're glad
pagdiriwang
you
na
could
hindi
join
ako
us today
bahagi.
as we explore the beauty
Ampersand
of our
quote,
local
anak,
tropical
pakiusap
gardens
ampersand
and the
quote,
community
ampersand
growing
quote.
within them.
Inay,
Come to
sinabi
the
ko na po,
program.
hindi
We're
magandang
glad you
oras.
could join us today
Ampersand quote,
as we
at
explore the
pagkatapos,
beauty of
ngumiti
our
si
local
Bianca.
tropical gardens and
Isang
the
malamig,
community growing
kalkuladong
within
ngiti.
them. Come to the program.
Ampersand quote,
We're glad
aling
you could join us
korazon,
today
baka po
as we
pwede kayong
explore the
bumalik sa
beauty
ibang
of our local
pagkakataon
tropical
na mas
gardens
mahaba ang
and the
oras
community
at may
growing
paunang
within them.
abiso.
Come to the program.
Ngayon po ay
We're glad
talagang
you could
hindi
join
namin
us
kayo
today as we
maasikaso.
explore the
Ampersand
beauty of
quote,
our local
asikasuhin
tropical
ako.
gardens
Tila ba
and the
ako ay
community
isang hindi
growing within
inaasahang
them.
bisita?
Come to the
Tila
program.
ba hindi ako
We're
ang
glad you
babaeng
could join
nagduwal
us
kay
today
Ricardo?
as we
Ang
explore the
nagpalaki sa
beauty
kanya
of our
ng
local
mag-isa
tropical
matapos kaming
gardens
iwan ng
and the
kanyang
community
ama,
growing
ang
within them.
nagtrabaho ng
Come to the
dobleng oras
program.
sa loob ng
We're
maraming
glad you could
taon
join us
para lamang
today
siya
as we explore
makapag-aral.
the beauty of our local
Tiningnan ko ang
tropical
aking anak,
gardens and the
umasa akong may
community growing
sasabihin siya.
within them. Come to the
Ipagtatanggol ako,
program.
maalala
We're
ang
glad
lahat
you could
ng
join us
pinagdaanan
today
namin.
as we explore the beauty
Ngunit
of our
yumuko lang
local
siya.
tropical gardens and the
Ampersand quote,
community
patawad
growing
po,
within them.
inay.
Come to the program.
Maligayang
We're
bagong
glad you could
taon,
join us today
ampersand quote,
as we
at
explore
isinara
the
niya ang
beauty of
pinto.
our local tropical gardens
Nanatili ako
and the
roon
community
sa harap ng
growing
nakasarang
within them.
pinto.
Come to the
Narinig ko
program.
ang paglagay ng
We're glad
susi
you
sa
could join
loob.
us today as we
Narinig ko
explore
ang
the
kanilang
beauty
mga
of our
boses na
local
palayo.
tropical gardens and the
Narinig ko ang
community
isang
growing
tawa,
within
ang
them.
tawa ni
Come to the
Bianca.
program. We're glad you
Noon,
could
sa
join us
unang
today
pagkakataon
as we
sa
explore
maraming
the
taon,
beauty of our
naramdaman
local
kong lubos
tropical
akong
gardens
nag-isa sa
and the
mundo.
community growing within them.
Binitbit ko ang
Come to the
aking maleta,
program. We're
dahan-dahang
glad you
bumaba
could
sa
join us
hagdan,
today
lumabas
as we
ng
explore
gusali.
the beauty of our
Sa
local
labas,
tropical gardens
unti-unti nang
and the
dumidilim.
community growing within
Ang
them.
mga
Come to the
kalsada ay
program.
nagsisimula ng
We're glad
mapuno
you
ng
could
mga
join us
taong
today
masaya.
as we
May dalang
explore
mga
the
supot
beauty
ng
of our
pagkain,
local
may
tropical
dalang mga
gardens
bote ng
and the
cider,
community
naghahanda
growing
para
within them.
magdiwang.
Come to the program.
Wala
We're
akong
glad you could join
mapuntahan.
us today as we
Wala akong
explore the
kakilala sa
beauty of our
Maynila.
local tropical
Ang
gardens
huling
and
bus
the
pabalik sa
community
probinsya
growing
ko
within them.
ay
Come
umalis
to
na
the
isang
program.
oras ang
We're
nakalipas.
glad you could join us today
Naglakad
as we
ako ng
explore
walang
the
direksyon,
beauty of our local
nakangatal ang
tropical
aking mga
gardens
binti.
and the community
Hindi
growing
ko alam
within
kung
them.
dahil sa
Come to
lamig
the
o sa
program.
lungkot, marahil
We're
ay
glad you could
pareho.
join us today as we
Narating ko
explore
ang
the
isang
beauty
plaza,
of our
may
local
isang bangko
tropical
sa
gardens
ilalim ng
and the
puno.
community growing within
Umupo
them.
ako roon,
Come to the
binuksan
program.
ang aking
We're
maleta,
glad you could join us
kinuha ang
today
mga tamales
as we
na buong
explore the
pagmamahal
beauty
kong
of our
inihanda,
local tropical
tiningnan ang
gardens
mga ito
and the
at
community
umiyak.
growing within them. Come
Tahimik
to the
akong
program.
umiyak dahil
We're
ayokong
glad you could
makita
join
ako
us
ng mga
today as
dumadaan
we
na
explore the
gumuhuna.
beauty of our local
Minsan,
tropical
masyado
gardens
tayong
and the
nagtitiwala
community
sa hindi
growing
dapat,
within them.
hindi ba?
Come to the program.
Kayo po
We're
ba,
glad you
mga
could join us
minamahal kong
today as
tagapakinig,
we explore the
nadismaya na
beauty
rin
of
ba
our
kayo sa
local
isang
tropical
taong minahal
gardens
nyo?
and the community growing
Ibahagi
within
po ninyo
them.
ang
Come to
inyong
the
kwento sa
program.
comment
We're
section.
glad you could join us today
Gusto ko po
as we
kayong
explore
pakinggan
the
nang
beauty
sa
of
gayo
our local
ampersand
tropical
tapos na
gardens
malaman
and the
nating hindi tayo
community growing
nag-iisa.
within them. Come to the
Ang gabi
program.
ay lumalim,
We're
ang
glad you
lamig
could
ay
join us
lalong
today
tumindi.
as we explore the
Nandoon
beauty
pa
of
rin
our
ako
local
sa bangkong
tropical
iyon,
gardens
hindi alam
and
ang
the community
gagawin, hindi
growing
alam ang
within them.
mararamdaman.
Come to the program.
At
We're glad you
pagkatapos,
could join
may
us
nakita
today
akong
as we
magpapabago sa
explore the
lahat.
beauty of our local
Sa
tropical
kabilang dulo
gardens
ng plaza,
and the
may
community
isang
growing
figura na
within them.
dahan-dahang
Come to the
gumagalaw.
program. We're glad
Isang
you could join
matandang
us
babae
today
ang
as we
naglalakad ng
explore
walang
the
sapin
beauty
sa
of our
paa.
local tropical
Ang
gardens
kanyang
and
mga
the
paa,
community
na mamaga
growing
at
within them.
marumi,
Come to
ay
the
sumasayad
program.
sa malamig na
We're glad you
semento
could
sa
join us
bawat
today
hakbang.
as we explore the beauty
Nakasuot
of
siya
our
ng
local
lumang damit,
tropical gardens
punit-punit,
and the
nanginginig sa
community
lamig.
growing within them.
Ang
Come to
mga
the
tao ay
program.
dumadaan sa
We're
kanyang
glad
tabi
could
nang
join us
hindi siya
today
tinitingnan,
as we
tila
explore
ba
the
siya ay
beauty
hindi
of our local
nakikita.
tropical gardens
Ngunit
and the
nakita ko
community
siya,
growing
malinaw
within
kong
them.
nakita,
Welcome to the
at may
program.
kung anong bagay
We're
sa
glad
loob
you could
ko,
join us
sa
today
kabila ng
as
aking
we
sariling
explore the
sakit,
beauty of
ang
our
nagtulak
local
sa
tropical
akin upang
gardens
bumangon
and the
mula sa
community
bangkong
growing
iyon.
within them. Welcome to the
Hindi ko pa
program.
man
We're
maikukwento sa
glad you
inyo
could
ang
join us
nangyari
today
ng gabing
as we
iyon sa
explore the
matandang
beauty
babae.
of our local
Kailangan niyong
tropical gardens
maunawaan kung
and the
sino ako,
community
kung
growing
sino
within
ako
them.
bago ang
Welcome to the
sandaling iyon.
program. We're glad you
Ako
could
si
join
Aling
us today
Corazon.
as we explore the beauty of
Ipinanganak
our
ako sa
local
isang
tropical
maliit na
gardens
probinsya sa
and the
timog,
community
kung saan
growing
kilala
within
ng
them.
lahat ang
Welcome to the
bawat isa,
program.
at ang mga
We're glad
pinto
you could
ay
join
hindi
us today
kailanman
as we
nakakandado.
explore the beauty of our local
Lumaki ako sa
tropical
amoy ng
gardens
bagong
and
lutong
the community
tortillas at
growing
sa
within
tunog
them.
ng mga
Welcome to the
kampana ng
program.
simbahan na
We're glad you could
nagmamarka
join
sa
us
bawat
today
oras ng
as we
araw.
explore the beauty of our
Maaga
local
akong
tropical
nagpakasal.
gardens and the community
20
growing
taong
within
gulang
them.
pa lamang
Welcome to
ako
the
nang
program.
makilala ko si
We're
Mang
glad you
Jose,
could join
ang
us
ama ni
today
Ricardo.
as we explore the beauty
Siya
of
ay
our
gwapo,
local tropical
masipag, may
gardens
malalakas
and
na
the
kamay at
community
malumanay
growing
na
within
salita.
them. Welcome to the program.
Nagpakasal
We're
kami
glad
noong
you could
Hunyo
join
ng
us today as we explore the beauty of our
1983.
local tropical gardens
Naaalala
and the
ko ang araw
community
na yun na
growing
parang
within them.
kahapon lang.
Welcome to the program.
Ang
We're
aking
glad you
puting
could join
damit,
us today
simple,
as we
malinis,
explore the
ang mga
beauty of our
bugambilya na
local
bulaklak,
tropical
nasa
gardens
kanya ang
and
mga
the
mata ni
community
Aling
growing
Corazon
within
at
them.
ang
Come
aking
to the
maliit na
program.
ilong.
We're glad you could join
Hindi
us
siya
today
masyadong
as we
umiiyak.
explore the beauty of our
Madalas
local
siyang ngumiti.
tropical gardens and the
Mula sa
community
unang araw,
growing within
alam
them.
kong ang
Come to
batang
the
iyon ang
program.
aking dahilan
We're glad
upang
you could join
umiyak.
us today as we explore the
Nagtatrabaho ako
beauty
noon
of
sa
our local
konstruksyon,
tropical
masipag
gardens
akong
and the
bumabanat ng
community
buto.
growing within them.
Si
Come to
Aling
the
Corazon
program.
naman,
We're
siya ang
glad you could join
nananatili
us
sa
today
bahay,
as we explore
inaalagaan
the
si
beauty
Ricardo,
of our local
nagluluto,
tropical gardens
naglilinis,
and the
naghihintay
community
na
growing
makauwi
within
ako
them.
tuwing
Come to the
hapon.
program. We're
Mahirap
glad you could
kami,
join us
ngunit
today
masaya
as we
kami o sa
explore the
tingin ko
beauty of
masaya
our
kami.
local tropical gardens
Ang mga
and the
unang taon
community
ay
growing
maganda.
within them. Come to the
Naglalaro
program.
ako kay
We're
Ricardo
glad
sa
you could join
bakuran
us today
pagkatapos ng
as we
trabaho.
explore the beauty of our local
Isinasakay ko
tropical
siya sa aking
gardens
balikat.
and the community growing within them.
Tinuturuan ko siyang
Come to the
pangalanan
program.
ang mga ibon na
We're glad you
lumilipad
could
sa
join us
ibabaw
today
ng aming
as we
bahay,
explore the
kalapati,
beauty of
maya,
our local
kulasisi.
tropical gardens and the
Ngunit
community
nagbabago ang
growing
mga
within
bagay,
them. Come to the
nagbabago ang mga
program.
tao.
We're glad you could join
Nang
us today
mag-5 taong
as
gulang
we
si
explore the
Ricardo,
beauty of our
nagsimula si
local
Aling
tropical
Corazon
gardens
na mapansin
and the
ang mga
community
pagbabago
growing
sa
within
akin,
them.
ang
Come to the
huli kong
program.
pag-uwi.
We're glad you could join
Naamoy
us
niya ang
today
alak sa
as we
aking
explore
damit,
the
minsan
beauty of our
pabango,
local
na hindi sa
tropical
kanya.
gardens and the community
Nagtatanong
growing
siya,
within them.
nagagalit
Come to the
ako,
program.
sinisigawan ko
We're
siya,
glad you could join
sinasabi
us
kong siya
today
ay
as
isang
we
babaeng
explore the beauty
makakasawa,
of our
walang
local
ambisyon,
tropical
walang
gardens
kagandahan.
and the community growing within
Isang
them.
umaga ng
Come to the
Nobyembre ng
program.
1000,
We're glad you could join
900
us
at
today
70,
as we
nagising
explore
si
the
Aling
beauty of
Corazon
our
at
local
wala na
tropical
ako.
gardens and the
Ang
community
aking mga
growing
damit ay
within them.
nawala sa
Come to the
aparador.
program. We're
Ang
glad you
aking
could join us
sipilyo ay
today
wala na sa
as we
banyo.
explore the beauty of
Sa
our
mesa
local
ng
tropical
kusina ay may
gardens
isang lukot
and
na
the
papel na
community
iniwan
growing
ko.
within them. Come to the
Hindi ko na
program.
kaya ang buhay
We're glad
nito.
you could join us today as we
Patawad.
explore the beauty of our
Iyon lang.
local tropical gardens
6
and
na
the
salita.
community growing within them.
30
Come to
ang
the program.
tapos,
We're
5
glad you
taon
could
ng
join us
aming
today
buhay na
as
naging
we
6 na
explore the
salita
beauty
sa
of our
isang
local
maruming
tropical
papel.
gardens and the
Nanatili
community
si Aling
growing within
Corazon
them.
na
Come
mag-isa,
to the
isang
program.
ina na may
We're
5
glad you
taong
could join
gulang
us
na anak.
today as we explore
At
the
wala
beauty
akong
of our
iniwan sa
local
kanyang
tropical
pera sa
gardens
bulsa.
and the community growing
Pagkatapos
within
ng
them.
aking
Come to the
pag-alis, si
program.
Aling Corazon,
We're glad you could
kailangan
join
niyang
us
matutong
today as
mabuhay
we explore
mag-isa.
the beauty of our local
Nakatrabaho
tropical
siya sa
gardens
isang
and the
labanderya.
community growing within them.
Gumigising
Come to
siya
the
ng alas
program.
5 ng
We're
umaga,
glad you could join us
iniiwan si
today
Ricardo
as
sa
we
kanyang
explore
inay
the
at
beauty of our
nagtatrabaho
local
hanggang
tropical
alas
gardens
7 ng
and the
gabi.
community growing
Ang
within
kanyang
them.
mga
Come
kamay
to the
ay nagiging
program.
lamat sa
We're
sabon
glad
at
you could
mainit
join
na
us today
tubig.
as we explore the
Sumasakit
beauty
ang
of our
kanyang
local
likod sa
tropical
pagyuko sa
gardens
mga batya,
and the
ngunit
community
wala siyang
growing within
pakialam.
them. Come to the program.
Ginagawa niya
We're
ito
glad you
para
could
sa
join us
aking
today
anak, ang
as we
anak naming
explore the
dalawa.
beauty of our local
Lumaki
tropical
si Ricardo
gardens
ng
and the
malusog,
community
lumaki ng
growing
matalino.
within them. Come to the
Siya
program.
ang
We're
pinakamahusay
glad
na
you could join us
estudyante sa
today
kanyang
as we
paaralan.
explore the beauty of our
Sinasabi
local
sa kanya
tropical
ng mga
gardens
guro na
and the
mayroon
community
siyang magandang
growing within them.
kinabukasan,
Come to the
na kaya niyang
program.
makarating ng
We're glad you
malayo
could
kung
join us
mag-aaral.
today as we explore
At
the
kumapit
beauty
siya
of
sa
our local
pag-asang
tropical
iyon.
gardens and the
Mas
community
nagtrabaho siya.
growing within them. Come to the
Inipon niya ang
program.
bawat piso.
We're glad you could join us today
Minsan hindi
as we
siya
explore the
kumakain para
beauty
lang
of our
magkaroon
local
si
tropical
Ricardo ng
gardens
bagong
and the
kwaderno.
community growing within
Minsan,
them. Come to
suot
the
niya ang luma
program.
niyang damit na
We're glad you
tinahi
could join
para
us
lang
today
magkaroon
as
si
we
Ricardo
explore
ng
the beauty
sapatos
of
na
our
walang
local
butas.
tropical gardens and
Nang
the
matapos ni
community
Ricardo
growing
ang
within them.
elementarya,
Come to the
umiyak
program.
siya sa
We're
pagmamalaki.
glad you could join us today
Nang
as
pumasok
we
siya sa
explore
high
the
school,
beauty of our
naramdaman
local
niyang sulit
tropical
ang lahat
gardens
ng kanyang
and the community
sakripisyo.
growing within them.
At
Come
nang
to the
makakuha siya
program.
ng
We're
scholarship
glad
para
you could join
mag-aral
us
ng
today as we
administrasyon sa
explore the
Universidad
beauty
ng
of our
Manila,
local tropical
naramdaman niyang
gardens
nasa
and
langit
the
siya.
community growing within them.
Ampersand
Come
quote,
to the
inay,
program.
ipagmamalaki
We're glad
kita.
you could join us
Ampersand
today
quote,
as
sabi
we
niya kay
explore the
Aling
beauty
Corazon
of
nang
our
araw
local
na siya
tropical
ampersand
gardens
tapos,
and
na
the
umalis.
community growing within them. Come to
Ampersand
the
quote,
program.
lahat ng ginawa
We're
mo
glad
para
you could
sa
join
akin,
us today
ibabalik
as
ko
we
ng higit
explore
pa.
the beauty of our
Ampersand
local
quote,
tropical
niyakap siya ni
gardens
Aling
and the
Corazon,
community
hinalikan
growing
sa
within
noo,
them. Come to the
binasbasan.
program. We're glad you
Ampersand
could join
quote,
us
maging
today
masaya ka
as
lang,
we
anak.
explore the beauty of our
Yan
local
lang ang
tropical
kailangan ko,
gardens and the
ampersand quote.
community growing within them.
Ang mga
Come to the
unang taon ni
program.
Ricardo sa
We're
Maynila
glad you
ay
could join us
maganda.
today as we explore the
Tumatawag siya
beauty
kay
of
Aling
our local
Corazon bawat
tropical
linggo.
gardens and the community
Kinukwento
growing
niya ang
within
kanyang
them.
mga
Come to
klase,
the
ang
program.
kanyang mga
We're glad you
kaibigan,
could
ang
join us
kanyang
today
mga pangarap.
as we explore the beauty of our
Nagpapadala Nagdadala si
local
Aling
tropical
Corazon ng
gardens
pera
and
kapag
the
kaya niya,
community
mga
growing within
tamales
them.
kapag
Welcome to the
namimiss niya
program.
ang pagkain sa
We're glad you
probinsya.
could join us today as we
Nagtapos si
explore the
Ricardo ng
beauty
may
of our
karangalan
local
noong
tropical gardens
2006.
and the community growing within them.
Naroroon si Aling
Welcome to the
Corazon
program.
para sa kanyang
We're glad you
graduation.
could join us today as we
Umupo siya sa
explore the
huling
beauty
hanay
of
ng
our local
auditorium,
tropical
suot ang
gardens
kanyang
and the community
pinakamagandang damit,
growing within them.
umiiyak sa
Welcome to
tuwa
the program.
habang umaakyat
We're
si
glad you
Ricardo
could join
sa
us today
entablado
as we
upang
explore the
tanggapin ang
beauty
kanyang
of our
diploma.
local tropical gardens
Nang araw
and
na
the
yon,
community
sinabi
growing
niya kay
within
Aling
them.
Corazon,
Welcome to the
ang
program.
persangkot,
We're
Inay,
glad you
ito
could
ay
join
para
us
sa
today
inyo.
as we explore the
Lahat ng
beauty
ako
of our
ngayon ay
local
dahil sa
tropical
inyo, ang
gardens and the
persangkot, at
community
naramdaman
growing
ni
within
Aling
them.
Corazon
Welcome
na
to the
sulit ang
program.
lahat.
We're glad you could join
Bawat
us today
sakripisyo,
as we
bawat
explore
gabing
the
walang
beauty
tulog,
of our
bawat
local
sakit.
tropical gardens and
Ngunit
the community
pagkatapos,
growing within
nakakuha
them.
si
Welcome
Ricardo
to the
ng
program.
magandang trabaho
We're
sa
glad
isang
you could join
mahalagang
us today
kumpanya.
as we explore the beauty
Nagsimula
of
siyang
our local
kumita ng
tropical
pera,
gardens
napakalaking
and the
pera,
community
mas
growing
malaking
within
pera
them.
kaysa sa
Welcome to the
nakita ni
program.
Aling Corazon
We're
sa
glad you
buong
could
buhay
join us
niya.
today as we
At
explore
ang
the
mga
beauty
tawag
of
ay
our local
nagsimulang lumayo.
tropical gardens and the
Minsan sa
community
isang
growing
linggo
within
ay
them.
naging
Come to
minsan
the
sa 2
program.
linggo,
We're glad you
pagkatapos
could join
minsan
us
sa 1
today
buwan,
as we explore
pagkatapos
the
halos
beauty of
hindi
our
na.
local tropical
Noong
gardens and the
2008,
community growing within them.
tumawag si
Come to the
Ricardo
program.
para sabihin
We're
sa
glad you
kanyang
could
ina
join
na
us today
nagpakasal siya.
as we explore the beauty of our
Nagpakasal.
local tropical gardens
Ampersand
and the
quote, at
community
bakit
growing
hindi mo
within
sinabi
them.
sa
Come to
akin,
the program. We're glad you
Sana
could join us
naroroon
today
ako,
as we
ampersand
explore
quote,
the
tanong
beauty
ni
of
Aling
our local
Corazon.
tropical gardens and the
Ampersand quote,
community
maliit
growing
lang
within
po,
them.
inay,
Come to the program.
napakapribado,
We're
kaming
glad
dalawa
you
lang,
could join us
ampersand
today
quote,
as we
at ang
explore the
huwes.
beauty of our local
Ang kanyang
tropical
asawa ay
gardens
si
and the
Bianca.
community growing within
Galing
them.
siya sa
Come to
isang
the
mayamang
program.
pamilya.
We're glad you could join us
Nag-aral
today
sa mga
as we
pribadong
explore the
paaralan,
beauty of our
nagsasalita
local
ng
tropical
Ingles.
gardens and the community
Nagsusuot ng mga
growing
damit na
within them.
branded na
Come to the
hindi alam
program.
bigkasin ni Aling
We're glad you
Corazon.
could join us today as we
Nakilala lang ni
explore the
Aling
beauty of
Corazon
our
si
local
Bianca
tropical
minsan nang
gardens and
bumisita
the
siya 6
community
na buwan
growing within
matapos
them.
ang
Come to
kanilang
the
kasal.
program. We're glad you
Binati
could
siya
join
ni
us
Bianca
today
ng dalawang
as we
halik sa
explore the
pisngi.
beauty of our local
Parang
tropical
pagbati sa
gardens
isang
and
malayong
the community
kakilala.
growing within them.
Hindi
Come to the
parang
program.
pagbati sa ina ng
We're
iyong
glad you could
asawa.
join us today as we
Ampersand
explore the
quote,
beauty
maraming
of our
salamat
local
po,
tropical
Aling
gardens
Corazon,
and the
ampersand
community
quote,
growing
sabi ni
within them.
Bianca,
Come to the
may
program.
perpekto at malamig
We're
na
glad you
ngiti.
could join us today as
Aling
we explore
Corazon,
the
hindi
beauty
biyanan.
of our local tropical
Hindi
gardens
inay.
and the community growing
Aling
within them.
Corazon,
Come
tila
to
ba
the
siya ay
program.
isang
We're
estranghero?
glad you could join us today
Sa loob
as
ng
we
3
explore
araw
the
na
beauty of our
pagbisita, may
local
napansin
tropical
si Aling
gardens
Corazon.
and the community growing
Hindi siya
within them. Come to
pinahintulutan
the
ni Bianca
program.
na pumasok
We're
sa
glad you
kusina.
could join us today as we
Sabi niya,
explore the beauty
nakapagluto
of
na
our
siya,
local
huwag na siyang
tropical
mag-alala.
gardens and the
Ngunit gusto ni
community
Aling
growing
Corazon
within
na
them.
magluto
Come to the
para sa
program.
kanyang anak.
We're glad you could join us
Gusto niyang
today
ihanda
as
ang
we
kanyang
explore
mga
the beauty
paboritong
of our
pagkain.
local tropical gardens
Hindi rin
and the
pinilit ni
community
Ricardo.
growing within them. Come to the
Ngumiti lang siya
program.
at sinabi,
We're glad you could
ampersand
join
quote,
us
sige
today
lang po,
as we
inay,
explore the
magpahinga
beauty of
kayo.
our local tropical
Marami
gardens
na kayong
and the community
pinagtrabahuan sa
growing
buhay,
within them.
ampersand
Come to the
quote,
program.
ngunit ayaw ni
We're
Aling
glad you could
Corazon
join
na
us today
magpahinga.
as we explore the
Gusto
beauty
niyang
of
maging
our local tropical
kapaki-pakinabang.
gardens and the
Gusto
community
niyang
growing
maramdaman na
within
may
them.
lugar pa
Come
rin
to
siya
the
sa buhay
program.
ng kanyang
We're
anak.
glad you could join us today
Bago siya
as we
umalis,
explore the
iniwan niya
beauty
kay
of our
Ricardo
local
ang pera.
tropical gardens and the
5,000
community
piso.
growing within them. Come to the
Lahat ng
program.
naipon niya sa
We're
taong
glad you
iyon.
could join us today as we
Ampersand
explore
quote,
the
anak,
beauty of
para
our
may
local
mabili ka,
tropical
kung ano
gardens
man ang
and the
kailangan mo.
community growing
Ampersand
within
quote,
them. Come to
tiningnan
the
ni Ricardo
program.
ang pera,
We're glad you
pagkatapos
could join us
tiningnan si
today
Bianca.
as we explore the beauty of
Ngumiti
our
si
local
Bianca nang may
tropical
paghamak.
gardens and the community
Ampersand
growing
quote,
within them.
inay,
Come to
malaki
the
po ang
program.
aming kinikita.
We're glad you could join us
Hindi
today
niyo na po
as we
kailangan
explore the
magbigay sa
beauty
akin
of
ng
our
pera.
local tropical
Ampersand
gardens
quote, sabi
and the
niya.
community growing within them.
Ampersand quote,
Come to the
ngunit
program.
gusto kong gawin ito.
We're glad you could join us today
Pakiusap,
as we
tanggapin
explore the
mo,
beauty of our
ampersand
local
quote, kinuha
tropical
ito ni
gardens
Ricardo.
and the
Ngunit
community
nakita
growing
ni
within
Aling
them.
Corazon
Come
sa
to the
kanyang tingin
program.
na nahihiya
We're
siya.
glad you could join
Nahihiya
us
na
today
makita ng
as we
kanyang
explore
asawa
the
na ang
beauty
kanyang
of our
mahirap
local
na ina
tropical
ay
gardens
nagbibigay sa
and the
kanya ng
community
pera.
growing within them. Come to the
Bumalik si Aling
program.
Corazon sa
We're glad
probinsya
you
na
could join
mabigat
us
ang
today
puso.
as we explore the
May
beauty
nagbago
of
sa
our
kanyang
local
anak.
tropical gardens and
Hindi
the
na siya ang
community
batang
growing
yumayakap
within
sa
them.
kanya
Come
ng
to the
mahigpit.
program. We're glad you
Hindi na
could
siya
join
ang
us
binata
today
na
as we
tumatawag sa
explore the
kanya
beauty
upang
of our
ikwento
local
ang kanyang
tropical
mga
gardens
pangarap.
and the community
Iba na
growing
siya,
within them.
isang tao
Come
na
to the
hindi na niya
program.
kilala.
We're glad you could join
Ang
us
mga
today
sumunod na
as we
taon ay
explore the
mahirap.
beauty of our local
Ang mga
tropical
tawag ay
gardens
naging
and the
bihira, ang
community
mga
growing
pagbisita
within
ay
them.
wala na.
Come to the program. We're
Sinubukan
glad
ni
you could
Aling
join us
Corazon na
today
hindi
as we
manggulo.
explore the
Ayaw
beauty
niyang
of
maging
our local
pabigat na
tropical
biyenan,
gardens
ang
and the
mapanghimasok na
community
ina,
growing
ngunit
within them.
namimiss
Come
niya
to
ang
the
kanyang
program.
anak.
We're glad you could join
Namimiss
us
niya ang
today
kanyang
as we
boses,
explore
ang
the
kanyang
beauty
tawa.
of our local tropical
At
gardens
pagkatapos,
and the
dumating ang
community
taong
growing within them.
2024,
Come to the program. We're
Disyembre.
glad you could join us today
Nagpasya
as
siyang
we
hindi na
explore
siya
the beauty of
magpapalipas
our
ng isa
local
pang
tropical
bagong taon na
gardens
nag-iisa.
and the community growing within
Nagpasya
them.
siyang
Come
kahit
to the
hindi siya
program.
imbitahin ni
We're
Ricardo,
glad you could join us
pupunta siya
today
para lang
as we
yakapin
explore
ito,
the
para
beauty of our
paalalahanan
local
ito na ang
tropical
kanyang
gardens
ina ay
and the
narito pa
community
rin,
growing
umiiral.
within them. Come to the program.
Inihanda niya ang mga
We're glad you
paboritong
could join us
tamales ni
today
Ricardo,
as we explore
binili
the
ang kanyang
beauty of
tiket
our
sa
local
bus,
tropical
at
gardens
naglakbay siya
and
ng
the
8
community
mahabang
growing
oras
within
na may
them. Come
pag-asa
to
sa
the
puso.
program. We're glad
Hindi
you could
niya
join us
inakala na
today
isasara
as we
niya ang
explore
pinto
the
sa
beauty
kanyang
of our
mukha.
local tropical
Kayo po
gardens
ba,
and
mga
the
minamahal
community
kong
growing
tagapakinig?
within them. Come to the program.
Naranasan na rin ba
We're
ninyong
glad you could
makaramdam
join
ng
us
ganitong
today
lungkot
as
mula mula sa
explore
inyong
the
mga anak
beauty
o
of our
mahal sa
local
buhay.
tropical gardens and the
Ibahagi po
community
ninyo ang
growing
inyong
within them.
kwento sa
Welcome to
comment
the
section.
program. We're glad you
Gusto
could
ko
join
po
us
kayong
today
pakinggan
as we
nang sa
explore
gayo
the
ang
beauty of our
persentapos
local
na malaman
tropical
nating
gardens
hindi tayo
and the
nag-iisa.
community
Ang
growing
gabi ay
within them.
lumalim
Welcome to
at
the
ang lamig
program.
ng Maynila
We're
ay
glad you
lalong
could join
tumindi.
us today as we
Nandoon
explore
pa
the
rin ako
beauty of
sa
our
bangkong
local
iyon sa
tropical
plaza.
gardens
Hindi alam
and the
ang
community
gagawin,
growing
hindi alam
within
ang
them. Welcome to
mararamdaman.
the program.
Ang
We're
mga
glad you
kamalis
could
na
join us
nasa
today
aking
as
kandungan
we
ay
explore
lumamig
the
na,
beauty of our
kasabay ng
local
paglamig ng
tropical
aking
gardens
puso.
and the community growing
Binuksan
within
ko
them.
ang aking
Welcome to
maleta,
the program.
tiningnan ang mga
We're glad you
tamales
could
at
join us
umiyak.
today as we explore the
Tahimik akong
beauty of our
umiyak
local
dahil
tropical
ayokong
gardens
makita ako ng
and the
mga
community
dumadaan na
growing within
gumuhuna.
them. Welcome to the program.
Akala ko
We're
tapos na
glad
ang
you could
lahat.
join us today as we
Akala ko
explore the
yun na ang
beauty of our local
pinakamasakit na
tropical
parte.
gardens and the community
mali
growing
ako.
within them. Welcome to the
Sa kabilang
program.
dulo ng
We're
plaza,
glad you
may
could
isang
join us
figura
today
na
as we
dahan-dahang
explore the
gumagalaw.
beauty of our local
Isang
tropical
matandang
gardens
babae ang
and the
naglalakad
community
ng walang
growing
sapin
within
sa
them.
paa.
Welcome to the program.
Ang kanyang
We're
mga
glad
paa,
you could join us
namamaga
today
at marumi,
as we
ay
explore the
sumasayad
beauty
sa
of our
malamig na
local
semento
tropical
sa bawat
gardens
hakbang.
and the community growing within
Nakasuot
them.
siya ng
Welcome
lumang
to the
damit,
program.
punit-punit,
We're glad you
nanginginig
could
sa
join
langit.
us today as we
Ang mga
explore the
tao ay
beauty of our
dumadaan sa
local
kanyang tabi
tropical
nang hindi siya
gardens and the
tinitingnan,
community
tila ba siya
growing
ay
within
hindi
them.
nakikita.
Welcome to the program.
Ang iba
We're
ay
glad you could
umiiwas
join
ng
us
may
today
pagkasok lang.
as we explore the beauty
Isang
of our local
magkasintahan ang
tropical
may
gardens
naramdaman
and
akong
the
kakaiba
community
sa aking
growing within
dibdib.
them.
Isang
Welcome to
halo
the
ng
program.
lungkot at galit.
We're glad you could join us
Paano
today
kaya naging
as we
ganoon
explore the
kalupit ang mga
beauty of
tao?
our local tropical
Paano
gardens
kaya nila
and the
kayang
community
baliwalain
growing
ang isang
within them.
taong
Welcome to
malinaw
the
na
program.
nangangailangan ng
We're
tulong?
glad you could join us today
At
as we
pagkatapos,
explore the
naalala ko.
beauty of our local tropical
Naalala kong
gardens
ako rin ay
and the
binaliwala
community
ng
growing
gawin
within
yon.
them. Welcome to the
Ang
program.
sarili kong
We're
anak
glad
ay
you could join
isinara
us
ang pinto
today
sa
as
akin.
we explore the
Tinrato ako
beauty
na
of our
parang hindi
local
nakikita.
tropical gardens and the
Marahil
community
kaya nakita
growing
ko ang
within them.
matandang
Welcome to
babae
the
na yon
program.
dahil alam
We're
ko rin
glad you
kung
could
ano
join
ang
us today
pakiramdam ng
as we
maging hindi
explore the
nakikita.
beauty of our local tropical
Bumangon ako
gardens
mula sa
and the
bangko,
community
nakangatal
growing
pa rin
within
ang
them.
aking mga
Welcome to the
binti,
program.
ngunit naglakad
We're
ako
glad you could
papunta
join
sa
us
kanya.
today as we explore
Nang
the
makalapit
beauty
ako
of
sa
our
kanya,
local
mas
tropical
nakita ko siya
gardens
ng
and the
malinaw.
community growing
Ang
within them.
kanyang buhok
Welcome
ay
to the
puti,
program.
magulo,
We're
marumi.
glad you could join us today
Ang kanyang
as we
mukha ay
explore
puno
the
ng
beauty of
kulubot
our
dahil
local
sa edad
tropical
at
gardens
pagdurusa.
and the community
Ang
growing
kanyang
within
mga
them.
mata,
Welcome to the
bagaman pagod,
program.
ay may
We're glad
kakaiba,
you could join
isang
us
bagay
today
na hindi ko
as we explore the
maipaliwanag.
beauty of our local
Isang
tropical
uri ng
gardens
liwanag ng
and the
karunungan.
community growing within them. Welcome to
Ampersand
the
quote,
program.
pakiusap po,
We're glad you
aling,
could join us
ampersand
today
quote. Sabi
as we
ko, may
explore the
mahinang
beauty of our
boses.
local tropical
Huminto
gardens
siya,
and the
tiningnan
community
ako.
growing within them. Welcome to the
Nagkatitigan ang aming
program.
mga mata.
We're glad you could join us today
Ampersand quote,
as we
anak,
explore the
ampersand
beauty of
quote,
our local
mahina ang
tropical
kanyang
gardens
boses,
and the
ngunit mabait.
community growing within them. Welcome
Ampersand
to the
quote,
program.
malamig po.
We're glad you could join
May
us today
matutulugan po
as
ba
we
kayo
explore
ngayong
the
gabi?
beauty of our
Ampersand
local
quote,
tropical
ngumiti siya.
gardens and the community
Isang
growing
malungkot na
within
ngiti.
them. Welcome to the program.
Ampersand quote,
We're glad
wala,
you could join
anak,
us
wala
today
akong
as we
pupuntahan.
explore the
Ngunit
beauty
huwag
of our
kang
local
mag-alala,
tropical
sanay na
gardens
ako.
and the
Ampersand
community
quote,
growing
sanay na.
within them. Welcome to the
Ang
program.
salitang iyon ay
We're glad you
bumiyak
could
sa
join
aking
us
puso.
today as we explore the
Tiningnan ko
beauty
ang
of our
kanyang mga
local
paa.
tropical gardens and the
Namamaga,
community
puno ng
growing
kalyo at
within them.
sugat.
Welcome to the program.
Hindi ko
We're
maisip ang
glad you could
sakit
join
na
us today
nararamdaman niya
as
sa
we
bawat
explore the
hakbang.
beauty of our local tropical
Ampersand quote,
gardens
sandali
and the
lang po,
community
pakiusap,
growing within them.
ampersand quote.
Welcome to the program. We're
Nagmadali
glad you
akong
could join
bumalik
us
sa
today
aking bangko,
as we explore
binuksan
the
ang
beauty
aking
of our
maleta,
local tropical
kinuha ang
gardens
aking
and the
pinakamakapal na
community
sweater,
growing within
ang
them.
dinala ko
Welcome to the
para sa lamig
program.
ng Maynila.
We're glad you could join us today
Kinuha ko rin
as
ang
we
aking
explore the
komportableng
beauty of our
sandalyas.
local tropical gardens
Hindi ito
and the
malaki,
community
ngunit
growing
babalik
within
ako.
them. Welcome to the program.
Ampersand quote,
We're glad you
sige,
could join us
aling,
today
pakiusap,
as we
isuot
explore
niyo
the
po ito.
beauty of our
Ampersand
local
quote,
tropical
inabot ko
gardens
sa kanya
and
ang
the
sweater
community
at
growing within
sandalyas.
them. Welcome to the program.
Tinignan niya ako ng
We're
may
glad you could join
pagtataka.
us today as we explore
Ampersand
the
quote,
beauty of
hindi,
our local
anak, hindi ko
tropical
ito pwedeng
gardens and the
tanggapin.
community growing within
Malamig
them.
din sa
Welcome to the
ampersand apos,
program.
yo,
We're
ampersand
glad you
quote,
could join us
ampersand
today
quote,
as we
ayos lang po
explore the
ako.
beauty of our local tropical
Pakiusap po,
gardens
tanggapin
and
niyo
the
po,
community
ampersand
growing
quote,
within them. Welcome
nagpumilit
to the
ako
program.
hanggang sa kinuha
We're
niya
glad
ang
you could
sweater.
join us today
Dahan-dahan
as we
itong
explore the
isinuot ng may
beauty of our
nanginginig na
local
mga kamay.
tropical gardens and the community
Pagkatapos,
growing
yumuko siya
within them.
upang
Welcome
isuot
to the
ang mga
program.
sandalyas.
We're glad you could join us
Nang tumayo
today
siya,
as we
basa ang
explore the
kanyang mga
beauty
mata.
of our local tropical
Ampersand
gardens
quote,
and the
pagpalain ka
community
ng Diyos,
growing within
anak.
them. Welcome to the program.
Kakaunti lang ang
We're
taong
glad you could
tumitingin
join
sa
us today
akin.
as we
Ampersand
explore
quote,
the beauty
ampersand
of our
quote,
local
ano po ang
tropical
pangalan
gardens
nyo?
and the
Aling,
community
ampersand
growing
quote,
within them. Welcome to
nag-alinlangan
the
siya
program.
sandali.
We're glad you could join
Ampersand
us
quote,
today as
maaari
we
mo akong
explore the
tawaging
beauty of
Maribel.
our local
Ampersand
tropical
quote,
gardens
ampersand
and the
quote,
community
masaya po
growing
akong
within
makilala
them.
kayo,
Welcome to the
Doña
program.
Maribel.
We're glad you could
Ako
join
po
us
si
today
Pedro,
as we
ampersand
explore the
quote,
beauty of our
nanatili kami
local
roon sa
tropical
gitna ng
gardens
plaza
and the
habang
community
patuloy na
growing within
dumadaan
them.
ang mga
Welcome to
tao
the
sa
program.
paligid namin,
We're glad you
naghahanda
could join
para
us today
magdiwang.
as we explore the
Ang mga
beauty of
paputok
our
ay
local
nagsimula ng
tropical
marinig
gardens
sa malayo.
and the community growing
Kulang
within
na
them.
lang ng
Welcome
2
to the
oras
program.
bago maghating
We're
gabi.
glad you could join us today
Ampersand
as we
quote,
explore
at
the
ikaw,
beauty of
anong
our
ginagawa
local
mo rito
tropical
mag-isa?
gardens
Pedro,
and the community
ampersand quote,
growing within
tanong
them.
ni
Welcome
Maribel.
to the program. We're
Ampersand
glad you could join us
isang
today
lalaki na
as we
tulad mo ay
explore the
dapat
beauty of
kasama
our
ang kanyang
local
pamilya.
tropical gardens
Ampersand
and the
quote, may
community
bumara
growing
sa aking
within them.
lalamunan.
Welcome to the program.
Ang
We're
aking
glad you
pamilya,
could join
ang
us
aking
today
pamilya
as we
ay ayaw
explore
sa
the
akin
beauty of our
malapit ngayong
local
gabi.
tropical gardens and the
Tumango si
community
Maribel nang
growing
may
within them.
pag-unawa.
Welcome to the
Tila alam na
program.
alam niya kung
We're
ano
glad
ang
you could
aking
join us
sinasabi.
today as we explore the
Ampersand
beauty of our
quote,
local
minsan
tropical
nakakalimutan
gardens
ng mga
and the
anak kung
community
saan sila
growing
nang
within
galing.
them. Welcome to the
Ampersand quote,
program.
sabi niya
We're
nang may
glad you could
mahinang
join us
boses.
today as we explore the
Ampersand
beauty
quote,
of our local
umalis sila sa
tropical
mundo
gardens
at
and the
ikinahiya ang
community
kanilang
growing
pinagmulan.
within them. Welcome to the
Ampersand quote,
program.
ampersand
We're
quote,
glad you
may
could
mga
join us
anak din
today
po ba
as
kayo?
we explore the
Ampersand
beauty
quote,
of our
lumukot
local
ang
tropical
kanyang tingin.
gardens and the community
Ampersand
growing
quote,
within them.
mayroon akong
Welcome to the
anak na
program.
babae.
We're glad you could join
Namatay
us
siya
today
15
as we
taon na
explore
ang
the beauty
nakalipas.
of our local tropical
Cancer.
gardens and the community
Simula
growing
noon,
within them.
nag-isa
Welcome
na
to the
ako.
program.
Ampersand
We're
quote,
glad you could
ampersand
join us
quote,
today
patawad
as
po,
we explore
Doña
the beauty
Maribel.
of our local
Ampersand quote,
tropical gardens
ampersand quote,
and the
ganoon
community
ang buhay,
growing within
anak.
them. Welcome to the
Ang
program.
iba ay
We're
umaalis,
glad you could
ang
join
iba
us
ay
today
nananatili,
as we
at
explore the
natututo
beauty
tayong
of our local
magpatuloy.
tropical
Ampersand
gardens
quote,
and the
umupo kami
community
ng
growing
magkasama sa
within them.
bangko.
Welcome to the program.
Binuksan ko
We're
ang
glad
aking
you could
supot
join
ng
us today
tamales.
as we explore the beauty
Ampersand
of our
quote,
local
gutom po ba
tropical
kayo?
gardens
Doña
and the
Maribel,
community growing
ampersand
within
quote,
them. Welcome
nagningning
to
ang
the
kanyang
program.
mga mata.
We're glad you could join us
Ampersand
today
quote,
as
wala
we
pa akong
explore the
nakakain
beauty of
simula
our local
kaninang
tropical
umaga.
gardens
Ampersand
and the
quote,
community
ampersand
growing
quote,
within
kung
them.
gayon,
Welcome to the
sabay
program.
tayong kakain.
We're glad you could
Ampersand
join
quote.
us today as we explore
Inihanda
the
namin
beauty
ang
of
mga
our local
tamales.
tropical gardens
Ang
and the
singaw ay
community
lumalabas pa
growing
rin
within
mula
them.
sa mga
Welcome
ito.
to the program.
Ang
We're
amoy
glad
ng
you
mall
could
ay
join us
pumuno
today
sa malamig
as
na
we
hangin.
explore the beauty of our
Kinuha
local
ni
tropical
Maribel ang
gardens
unang kagat
and the
at
community
isinara ang
growing
kanyang
within
mga
them.
mata.
Welcome to the program.
Ampersand
We're
quote,
glad you
mga
could
taon
join
na
us
ang
today
nakalipas
as
nang
we
kumain
explore
ako
the
ng
beauty
ganito
of our
kasarap.
local
Ampersand
tropical
quote,
gardens
sabi
and
niya,
the
may
community
basag na
growing
boses.
within them. Welcome to the program.
Ampersand quote,
We're glad
salamat
you could join
Pedro.
us today as we explore
Salamat
the
mula sa
beauty of
puso.
our local
Ampersand
tropical
quote,
gardens
kumain kami
and
ng
the
tahimik
community
sa loob
growing
ng ilang
within them.
minuto.
Welcome to the program.
Sa paligid
We're glad you
namin,
could join
ang
us
mga
today
pamilya ay
as we
dumadaan,
explore the beauty of our
nagtatawanan,
local
may dalang mga
tropical
supot,
gardens and the
nagmamadali
community
upang makauwi
growing within
bago
them.
maghating
Welcome to the
gabi.
program. We're
Ampersand
glad you could
quote,
join us
alam mo ba,
today as
Pedro,
we explore the
ampersand quote,
beauty of our
biglang sabi
local
ni
tropical
Maribel.
gardens and the community
Ampersand quote,
growing within
5
them.
taon na
Welcome to
akong
the program.
naglalakad sa mga
We're
kalye
glad
na
you
ito.
could join us today
Mula
as we
nang mawala
explore
ang
the
aking
beauty of our
bahay,
local
nakita ko
tropical
ang
gardens
libu-libong tao
and the
na
community
dumadaan
growing
sa
within
aking
them.
tabi.
Welcome to the program.
At alam mo ba
We're
kung
glad
ilan
you
ang
could join us
huminto para
today
tanungin
as we
ako kung
explore
may
the
kailangan
beauty
ako?
of our local
Ampersand
tropical
quote,
gardens
ampersand
and the
quote,
community
ilan po?
growing within them.
Ampersand
Welcome
quote,
to the
ampersand
program.
quote,
We're
tatlo.
glad you could join us today
Ikaw ang
as we
ikatlo.
explore the beauty of our
Tatlong
local
tao lang sa
tropical
5
gardens
taon,
and the
ampersand quote,
community growing
napuno ako
within
ng
them.
lungkot.
Welcome to the program. We're
Ampersand
glad
quote,
you could join us
natatakot ang
today
mga tao.
as we explore
Ampersand
the
quote,
beauty of our
patuloy ni
local
Maribel.
tropical gardens and the
Ampersand
community
quote,
growing
takot na
within them.
makita ang
Welcome to the
kahirapan,
program.
takot na
We're
makita ang
glad you could join
pagdurusa,
us today
dahil
as
kung
we
makikita
explore
nila
the
ito,
beauty of our
kailangan
local
nilang tanggapin
tropical
na sila
gardens
rin ay
and the
maaaring
community
mapunta sa
growing
aking
within them.
sitwasyon
Welcome to
balang
the
araw.
program.
Ampersand
We're
quote,
glad you could join us
ampersand quote.
today as we
Ngunit hindi po
explore
kayo
the beauty of our
nakakatakot,
local
Doña
tropical
Maribel.
gardens and the
Kailangan
community
nyo lang po
growing
ng
within them.
tulong.
Welcome to the
Ampersand quote,
program.
ampersand
We're
quote.
glad you could join us
Anak,
today
anong
as we
busilak ng
explore
iyong
the
puso?
beauty of our local
Kaya
tropical
sigurado
gardens
akong may
and the
magandang
community
mangyayari sa
growing
ampersand
within them.
apos.
Welcome to the program. We're
Palaging
glad you could join us
ginagantimpalaan ng
today
buhay
as
ang
we explore
mabubuting
the
tao.
beauty of our
Ampersand
local
quote,
tropical
hindi ako
gardens
naniwala.
and the community growing
Sa
within
sandaling
them.
iyon,
Welcome to the
nakaupo sa
program.
malamig na
We're
bangko,
glad you could join
matapos
us
akong
today
tanggihan ang
as we
sarili
explore
kong
the
anak,
beauty of
hindi
our
ako
local
naniwala na
tropical gardens
ginagantimpalaan
and
ng
the
buhay
community
ang kahit
growing
ano.
within them. Welcome to the
Ngunit
program.
wala akong
We're
sinabi,
glad you could join us
patuloy lang
today
akong
as
kumain
we
ng
explore
aking
the beauty
tamales.
of our local
Ibinabahagi
tropical
ang sandaling
gardens
iyon sa
and the
isang
community
estranghero
growing
na
within them.
kakaiba.
Welcome to the
Ngunit mas
program.
naramdaman kong
We're
pamilya
glad you could
kaysa
join
sa
us
aking
today
sariling
as we
dugo
explore the
matapos
beauty
kaming
of our
kumain.
local tropical gardens
Itinabi
and
ko
the
ang mga
community
tamales na
growing
natira
within
sa
them.
aking
Welcome
supot.
to the program. We're
Naisip
glad
ko,
you could join
baka
us
bukas,
today
may
as we
bibenta ko
explore
ang
the
mga ito,
beauty of our
makakuha
local
ng pera
tropical
para sa
gardens
tiket
and the
pabalik.
community growing within them.
Ampersand quote,
Welcome to the
Pedro,
program.
may
We're
matutulugan ka
glad
ba
you could
ngayong
join us
gabi?
today
Ampersand
as we
quote,
explore the
tanong ni
beauty
Maribel.
of our local tropical
Ampersand
gardens
quote,
and the
wala po.
community
Ang
growing
huling
within
bus
them.
ay umalis
Welcome to
na
the program.
at wala akong pera
We're glad
para
you
sa
could join
hotel.
us today
Ampersand
as we
quote,
explore the
ampersand
beauty
quote,
of our
alam ko
local
ang isang
tropical
shelter na
gardens
malapit
and the
dito.
community growing within
Para
them.
sa mga
Welcome to
walang
the
tirahan.
program. We're glad you
Hindi
could
ito
join us
maganda,
today
ngunit
as we
at least
explore
may
the beauty
masisilungan
of
ka.
our local
Ampersand
tropical
quote,
gardens
ampersand
and the
quote,
community
at saan po
growing
kayo
within them.
matutulog?
Welcome to the
Ampersand
program.
quote,
We're
ampersand
glad you
quote,
could join
may
us
isang
today
portal,
as we
dalawang
explore
kanto
the
mula
beauty
rito.
of our local tropical
Doon ako
gardens and
karaniwang
the
natutulog.
community growing within them. Welcome to
Protektado
the
sa
program.
hangin, ampersand
We're glad
quote,
you could join
tiningnan
us
ko siya.
today as we explore
Ang
the
matandang
beauty of our
babaeng ito,
local
walang
tropical
sapin sa
gardens
paa
and the
hanggang
community
kanina,
growing
walang
within them.
tirahan, at
Come to the
iniisip pa
program.
rin akong
We're
tulungan.
glad you could join us today
Ampersand
as we
quote,
explore
hindi
the
po,
beauty of our
ampersand quote,
local
sabi
tropical
ko.
gardens and the community
Ampersand quote,
growing
sabay
within
po
them.
tayong
Come to the
pupunta sa
program.
shelter na yon.
We're glad you could join us
Tayong
today
dalawa,
as we
ampersand
explore the
quote,
beauty
umiling
of our
siya.
local tropical gardens
Ampersand
and
quote,
the
tatlong
community
kama lang
growing
ang
within
shelter,
them. Come
at
to
sa
the
bagong
program.
taon,
We're
palaging
glad
puno
you could
iyon.
join us today as we
Mas
explore
mabuti
the
kung ikaw
beauty
na
of
lang,
our local
ampersand
tropical
quote,
gardens
ampersand
and
quote,
the community
gayon,
growing
sabay
within
tayong
them. Come to
matutulog
the
sa
program.
portal. Ampersand
We're glad
quote,
you could join us
ampersand
today
quote,
as we
hindi,
explore
anak,
the
ikaw
beauty
na
of
lang.
our local
Ampersand
tropical
quote,
gardens
ampersand
and the
quote,
community
Doña
growing
Maribel,
within them.
pakiusap.
Come to the program.
Binigyan
We're
niyo
glad
po
you
ako
could
ng
join us
inyong
today
kumpanya
as
noong
we
higit ko
explore the
kayong
beauty of our
kailangan.
local tropical
Ngayon,
gardens and
hayaan
the
niyo po akong
community
bigyan
growing
kayo ng
within
sa
them.
akin.
Come to the
Ampersand
program.
quote,
We're
tinitigan
glad
niya
you could
ako
join us today
pagkatapos ay
as we
ngumiti.
explore the beauty of our
Isang
local
ngiting puno ng
tropical gardens
pasasalamat at
and the
pagmamahal.
community growing within them. Come to
Ampersand
the
quote,
program.
Sige, Pedro.
We're glad you could join us
Sabay
today
tayong
as we
pupunta.
explore the
Ampersand
beauty of
quote,
our local
bumangon kami
tropical
mula sa
gardens
bangko.
and the community growing
Kinuha ko
within
ang
them.
aking
Come to the
maleta.
program. We're
Inayos
glad
ni
you could join
Maribel ang
us today
sweater na
as we
ibinigay ko sa
explore the
kanya
beauty
at
of our
nagsimula
local
kaming
tropical
maglakad
gardens
ng
and the
magkasama
community
patungo sa
growing
portal na
within them.
kanyang
Come to the
sinasabi.
program. We're
Ang mga
glad you could
kalye
join
ay
us
lalong
today
lumuwag.
as we explore the
Ang
beauty
mga
of our
tao ay
local
nasa kanilang
tropical
mga bahay
gardens
na
and the
naghahanda
community
para sa
growing
toys.
within them. Welcome to the program.
Kami, sa kabilang
We're glad you
banda,
could join
ay
us
naglalakad
today as we
patungo sa
explore
isang
the
malamig na
beauty of our
portal
local
upang
tropical
magpalipas ng
gardens
gabi,
and the
ngunit may
community
kakaiba
growing
na
within them.
nangyayari.
Welcome to the program.
Sa kabila ng
We're
lahat
glad
ng
you could
sakit
join
na
us today
nararamdaman ko
as we
sa aking
explore the
puso,
beauty
sa
of our
kabila ng
local
pagtanggi ni
tropical
Ricardo,
gardens and
sa
the
kabila ng
community
pagiging
growing
walang
within them.
tirahan ng
Welcome to
gabing
the
iyon,
program.
naramdaman ko
We're
ang
glad you could join
kapayapaan.
us today as we
Dahil
explore
hindi
the
ako
beauty of
nag-iisa,
our local
dahil
tropical
nakahanap ako ng
gardens
isang
and
taong
the
kailangan
community
ako,
growing
tulad
within
ng
them.
kailangan
Welcome to
ko
the
ng
program.
kumpanya.
We're glad you could join us
Narating namin
today
ang
as
portal.
we explore the beauty of
Ito
our
ay sa
local
isang lumang
tropical
gusali,
gardens
may mga
and the
haliging
community
bato at
growing
mataas
within
na
them.
bubong.
Welcome to the program.
Ang
We're
sahig ay
glad you could
marmol,
join us
malamig
today
ngunit
as we
malinis.
explore the beauty of
May
our
mga
local
karton na
tropical
nakasalansan
gardens
sa isang
and the
sulok.
community growing within them.
Ampersand
Welcome
quote,
to the
dito ako
program.
natutulog,
We're glad you could
ampersand
join
quote,
us
sabi ni
today as we
Maribel.
explore the beauty of our
Ampersand
local
quote,
tropical
hindi ito
gardens
malaki,
and the
ngunit
community growing
mapoprotektahan
within
tayo
them.
sa lamig.
Welcome to the program.
Ampersand quote,
We're
inilapag
glad you could
namin
join
ang
us
mga
today
karton sa
as we
sahig.
explore the
Umupo kami
beauty
sa
of
mga
our
ito.
local tropical
Kinuha ko ang
gardens
kumot na
and
dala
the
ko sa
community
aking
growing
maleta
within
at
them.
ibinahagi
Welcome to the
namin.
program. We're
Ang
glad
mga
you could join
paputok
us
ay
today
nagsimula ng
as we
sumabog
explore
sa
the beauty
kalangitan.
of our local tropical
Dahil
gardens
minsan,
and the
kapag
community
gumawa ka
growing
ng
within
isang
them.
bagay na
Welcome to the
mabuti nang
program.
hindi umaasa
We're
ng
glad you
anumang
could join us
kapalit,
today
nakikita
as
ka
we
ng
explore the
universo
beauty
at
of our local
ginagantimpalaan ka
tropical
sa mga
gardens
paraan
and
na
the
hindi mo
community
kailanman
growing within
inakala.
them. Welcome to the program.
Dumating ang hating
We're
gabi
glad
ng
you could join
maingay.
us today as we
Ang mga
explore the
paputok
beauty
ay
of our local
nagpapaliwanag sa
tropical
kalangitan
gardens
na parang
and the
mga
community
bituin na
growing
bumabagsak.
within them. Welcome to the
Ang
program.
mga sigaw ng
We're glad
ampersand
you could
quote,
join us today
maligayang bagong
as we
taon
explore the
ampersand
beauty
quote,
of our
ay
local
umalingaw
tropical
sa buong
gardens
Maynila.
and the community
Ang
growing
mga
within
tao
them.
ay
Welcome
niyakap
to the
ang kanilang
program.
mga mahal sa
We're
buhay,
glad you could join us
nag-toast ng
today
champagne,
as we explore the
naghalikan sa
beauty
ilaw
of
ng
our local
kalangitan.
tropical gardens and the
Nagkatitigan
community
kami ni
growing
Maribel.
within them. Welcome to the program.
Umiti siya ng may
We're
lungkot.
glad you could join us today as
Ampersand
we
quote,
explore the
maligayang
beauty of
bagong
our
taon,
local tropical
Pedro.
gardens
Ampersand
and the
quote,
community
ampersand
growing
quote,
within them.
maligayang
Welcome to
bagong
the
taon,
program.
Doña
We're
Maribel.
glad you could join us
Ampersand quote,
today
wala
as we
kaming
explore the
champagne.
beauty of our local
Wala kaming
tropical
ubas,
gardens
mayroon
and
lang
the
kaming
community
kumpanya ng
growing
bawat
within them.
isa.
Welcome to the program.
At sa
We're
sandaling
glad
yun,
you could
sapat
join
na
us
yun.
today as we explore
Ang
the
mga
beauty
paputok
of
ay
our
tumagal
local
ng halos
tropical gardens
20 minuto.
and the community growing within them.
Pagkatapos,
Welcome to the
dahan-dahang
program.
humina ang ingay.
We're glad you could join us today
Muling naging
as we
tahimik ang
explore
mga
the
kalye.
beauty of our local tropical
Natulog ang
gardens
Maynila.
and the community growing within
Sinubukan
them.
din namin
Welcome to the
matulog.
program. We're glad you could
Nagyakapan
join
kami
us
sa
today
ilalim ng
as we
kumot,
explore the
sinusubukang
beauty of our
panatilihin ang
local
init,
tropical
ngunit
gardens
napakatindi
and the
ng lamig.
community growing within them.
Sa tuwing
Welcome to the
ipipitik ko
program.
ang aking mga
We're
mata,
glad you could join us
nakikita ko
today
ang mukha
as
ni
we
Ricardo,
explore the
ang
beauty
kanyang
of our
mga mata
local
na
tropical
umiiwas sa
gardens
akin,
and the
ang kanyang
community
kamay na
growing within
isinasara
them.
ang
Welcome
pinto.
to the program. We're
Ampersand
glad you
quote,
could join
hindi
us
ka
today
makatulog,
as we
ampersand
explore
quote,
the beauty
tanong ni
of our
Maribel
local
sa dilim.
tropical gardens and the
Ampersand
community
quote,
growing
hindi
within them.
masyado.
Welcome to the
Ampersand quote,
program.
ampersand
We're glad
quote,
you could join us
iniisip mo
today
ang iyong
as we
anak,
explore the
ampersand
beauty
quote,
of our local
ampersand quote,
tropical gardens
ampersand quote,
and the community
nagkaroon ng
growing within
katahimikan.
them. Welcome to the program.
Ampersand quote,
We're glad
alam
you
mo
could
ba
join
kung
us
ano ang
today as we
pinakamahirap sa
explore
lahat
the
ng ito?
beauty of our
Doña
local
Maribel,
tropical gardens
ampersand quote,
and the
sabi ko.
community growing within them. Welcome
Ampersand
to the
quote,
program.
hindi ang pagsara
We're
niya
glad
ng
you could
pinto,
join us
hindi
today
ang
as we
pag-iwan niya sa
explore the
akin sa
beauty
kalye,
of our local
kundi ang hindi
tropical
man lang niya
gardens
ako
and
matingnan
the
sa mata,
community
na
growing
para
within
bang
them.
nahiya
Welcome
siya
to
na
the
ako ang
program.
kanyang ama,
We're glad you could
ampersand
join us
quote,
today
ampersand
as we
quote.
explore the
Minsan
beauty of
naliligaw
our
ang mga
local
anak,
tropical
Pedro.
gardens and the community
Naliligaw sa
growing
mundo,
within them.
sa pera,
Welcome to the
sa mga
program.
panlabas na
We're
anyo,
glad you
at
could join us today
nakakalimutan ang
as
tunay
we
na
explore
mahalaga.
the beauty of our
Ampersand
local
quote,
tropical
ibinigay ko ang
gardens
lahat,
and
ang
the
lahat ng
community
mayroon
growing
ako.
within them. Welcome to the program.
Nagtrabaho ako
We're
hanggang sa
glad you could
dumugo
join
ang
us
aking
today
mga
as
kamay
we
para lang
explore
siya
the beauty of our
makapag-aral.
local tropical gardens
Nagpauwi
and
ako
the
para lang
community
magkaroon
growing
siya ng
within them.
bagong
Welcome to the
sapatos.
program. We're
At
glad you
ngayon,
could join
ngayon
us
ako ay
today
isang
as we
sagabal para
explore
sa
the
kanya.
beauty of our local tropical
Bumuntong hininga
gardens
si
and the
Maribel.
community growing within them.
Ampersand
Welcome to
quote,
the
ang
program.
pagmamahal ng
We're glad
magulang
you
ay
could
ang
join us
pinakawalang
today
sawang
as we
pagmamahal
explore
sa
the
mundo.
beauty of our
Ngunit
local
ito rin ang
tropical
pinakamasakit
gardens and the
dahil
community
lumalaki
growing
at
within them.
umaalis
Welcome
ang
to
mga
the
anak
program.
at minsan
We're glad
kapag
you could
bumalik
join us
sila,
today
hindi na
as we
sila ang
explore
dating.
the beauty of
Ampersand
our
quote.
local tropical
Ampersand quote,
gardens and the
pinasakit din
community
kayo ng iyong
growing
anak.
within them. Welcome to
Ampersand
the
quote.
program.
Ampersand quote,
We're glad you
hindi
could join us
ang aking
today
anak
as
ay
we
palaging
explore the
mabait
beauty
sa
of our
akin
local
hanggang sa
tropical
araw na siya
gardens
ampersand
and the
ako
community
ay
growing
namatay.
within them. Welcome to the
Ngunit
program.
nakita ko ang
We're
maraming
glad you could join
magulang
us
na
today
nagdurusa sa
as
kung
we
ano ang
explore the
dinaranas
beauty
mo
of our
ngayon.
local tropical gardens
Ito ay mas
and the
karaniwan
community
kaysa sa
growing
iniisip
within them.
mo,
Welcome to the program. We're glad you could
at
join
anong
us
ginawa
today
ng mga
as we
magulang
explore the
ngayon,
beauty of our local tropical gardens
ang
and
iba
the
ay
community
nagpatawad,
growing
ang
within
iba
them.
ay
Welcome
lumayo,
to the
ngunit
program.
lahat ay
We're
patuloy
glad
na
you could join
nabuhay.
us today as we explore
Dahil
the
yan ang
beauty of
ginagawa
our
natin,
local
Pedro.
tropical gardens and the
Patuloy
community
tayong
growing
sumusulong,
within them.
kahit
Welcome to the
nabasagin ang
program.
ating puso,
We're glad you could join us
na
today
tahimik kami.
as we explore the beauty of
Patuloy
our
ang
local
lamig.
tropical gardens
Mas
and the
lalo akong
community
sumiksik sa
growing
ilalim
within
ng
them.
kumot.
Welcome to the program. We're
Ampersand
glad
quote,
you could join
Doña
us
Maribel,
today as we
maaari po
explore
ba
the
akong
beauty of
magtanong
our
sa inyo?
local tropical
Ampersand
gardens
quote,
and the community
quote,
growing
naman,
within them.
anak,
Welcome to the
ampersand
program.
quote,
We're
ampersand
glad you
quote,
could join us
paano po
today
kayo
as
napunta
we
sa
explore
kalye?
the beauty of
Ampersand
our
quote,
local
matagal
tropical
siyang
gardens
sumagot.
and the community
Nang
growing
gawin niya,
within them.
ang kanyang
Welcome to the
boses ay
program.
tila malayo,
We're glad
na
you could
para
join
bang
us
may
today
naalala
as
siyang
we explore
napakasakit.
the beauty of our local
Ampersand
tropical
quote,
gardens
nawala ko
and
ang
the
aking
community
asawa
growing
20
within them.
taon na ang
Welcome to the program.
nakalipas.
We're glad you could
Siya ay
join us
isang
today
mabuting
as
tao.
we explore the beauty of our local
Nagtatrabaho sa isang
tropical
pabrika,
gardens and
malaki
the
ang
community
kinikita.
growing within them. Come to
Mayroon
the
kaming
program.
isang simpleng
We're
bahay.
glad you could join us today
Ngunit
as
iyon
we
ay sa
explore the
amin.
beauty of our local
Nang
tropical
mamatay siya,
gardens
naiwan
and the
akong
community
mag-isa
growing
kasama
within
ang
them.
aking anak.
Come to the program.
30
We're glad
anyos
you
na
could
siya.
join us today as we
Nakatira
explore
siya sa
the beauty
akin
of our
dahil may
local
sakit siya.
tropical gardens and the
Kanser sa
community
suso,
growing
ang
within
person
them.
quote,
Come to the
pumunto siya.
program. We're glad you
Huminga
could
ng
join us
malalim.
today as we
Ang
explore the
person
beauty
quote,
of our local
ibinenta ko ang
tropical
lahat ng
gardens
mayroon
and
ako
the
para
community
lang
growing
mabayaran ang
within
kanyang
them. Come to
paggamot.
the program.
Ang
We're glad
bahay,
you could
ang
join
mga
us today
muebles,
as
pati
we
ang aking
explore the
simsim sa
beauty of our
kasal.
local tropical gardens
Ginastos ko ang
and the
bawat
community
piso para
growing
lang
within
iligtas
them.
siya,
Come to the
ngunit hindi ko
program.
kaya.
We're glad you could join us
Namatay siya
today
noong
as we
2000
explore
at
the
siyam.
beauty
Sa
of our
araw ng
local
kanyang
tropical
kaarawan,
gardens
30
and the
ang person
community
apos,
growing within them.
5 taon.
Come to the program.
Ang
We're
person
glad you
quote,
could join us
patawad
today
po,
as we
Doña
explore
Maribel.
the
Ang
beauty of
person
our
quote,
local
ang person
tropical
quote,
gardens
nang
and
mamatay
the
siya,
community
wala
growing
akong
within
naiwan,
them.
walang
Come to the
bahay,
program.
walang pera,
We're
walang
glad you could
pamilya.
join us today as we explore
Sinubukan
the
kong
beauty of our
magtrabaho,
local
ngunit
tropical
matanda na ako,
gardens
walang
and the
nagbibigay
community
sa akin
growing
ng
within them.
trabaho.
Come to the program.
Napunta ako
We're
sa
glad you
kalye
could
at
join us
narito
today
na ako
as
simula
we
noon.
explore the
Ang person
beauty of our
quote,
local
nakinig ako
tropical
ng may
gardens
mabigat na
and the
puso.
community growing
Ang
within them.
babaeng ito
Come to
ay
the
nawalan ng
program.
lahat,
We're
ganap na
glad you
lahat,
could join
at
us
may
today
kabaitan pa
as
rin
we explore
ibahagi
the
ang
beauty
kanyang
of our
espasyo
local
sa akin.
tropical gardens and
Ang
the
person
community
quote,
growing within
napakalakas
them.
niyo po,
Come to the
Doña
program.
Maribel. Ang
We're
person
glad you
quote,
could join
ang
us
person
today
quote,
as we
hindi ako
explore the
malakas,
beauty of our
Pedro.
local tropical gardens
Survivor lang
and the
ako, may
community
kaibahan
growing
yon.
within them.
Ang person
Come to the
quote, sa
program.
wakas,
We're
nakatulog
glad you
kami,
could join us
o sa
today
tingin ko,
as we explore
sinubukan
the
kong
beauty of
matulog.
our local tropical
Ginising
gardens
ako ng
and
lamig
the
tuwing
community
kalahating
growing
oras.
within them. Come to the
Narinig
program.
ko si Maribel
We're
na
glad you could
humihina
join
sa
us
aking
today
tabi.
as we explore the
Ang
beauty
kanyang
of our
paghina ay
local
hindi
tropical
regular,
gardens
na para bang
and the
nahihirapan
community
siyang
growing
huminga.
within them. Come to the program.
Dahan-dahang lumipas
We're
ang
glad
mga
you could join us
oras.
today as we
Nang
explore the
sumikat ang
beauty
araw,
of our
ang
local
unang araw
tropical
ng Enero
gardens
ay
and the
dumating na may
community
kulay
growing
abong
within
at
them.
malamig
Come
na
to the
kalangitan.
program. We're glad you could
Nagising
join
ako
us
na
today
masakit ang
as we
katawan.
explore the beauty of our
Lahat ng
local
bahagi ng
tropical
aking
gardens
katawan ay
and the community
sumasakit dahil
growing
sa
within them.
pagtulog sa
Come to
sahig.
the program.
Tulog
We're
pa rin
glad you
si
could join
Maribel.
us today as we
Ang
explore the
kanyang mukha
beauty
ay
of our
mukhang
local
pagod na
tropical
pagod,
gardens
napakahina.
and the community growing within
Hinayaan
them.
ko siyang
Come to the
magpahinga.
program. We're glad you
Lumabas
could
ako
join
sa
us
kalye.
today as we explore the
Walang tao
beauty
ang
of our
Maynila.
local tropical
Ang
gardens
mga
and
kalye
the
ay puno
community
ng basura
growing
mula
within
sa
them. Come
pagdiriwang
to the
kagabi.
program. We're glad
Mga
you could
basong
join us
plastik,
today as we
serpentina,
explore the
basag na
beauty
bote.
of our local tropical
Naglakad
gardens
ako ng walang
and the
direksyon.
community growing within them.
Kailangan
Come to
kong
the
mag-isip.
program. We're glad you could
Kailangan
join
kong
us today
magpasya kung
as
ano
we
ang
explore
gagawin
the
ko.
beauty of our local
Ang
tropical
susunod na bus
gardens
pabalik
and
sa
the
probinsya
community
ko
growing
ay
within
aalis
them.
ng alas
Come to
3
the
ng
program.
hapon.
We're glad you could join
Kailangan
us
kong
today
makakuha
as
ng
we
pera
explore
para
the
sa tiket.
beauty of our local tropical
Kailangan kong
gardens
umuwi,
and the
ngunit
community
may kung
growing
anong bagay
within
sa
them.
aking
Come to the
puso ang
program.
sumasakit.
We're glad you could join us
Isang bahagi
today
ng
as we
akin ay
explore
ayaw
the
umalis.
beauty of our local tropical
Ayaw kong
gardens
tanggapin na
and the
tinanggihan
community
ako ng
growing
aking
within
anak.
them. Come to the program.
Gusto kong
We're
maniwala na
glad
may
you could join us
paliwanag
today
na lahat
as
ay
we
isang hindi
explore the beauty of our
pagkakaunawaan.
local tropical gardens
Naglakad ako
and the
patungo sa
community
gusali ni
growing within
Ricardo.
them. Come to the program.
Hindi ko alam kung
We're glad
bakit.
you could join us today as
Marahil
we
ay
explore
umaasa
the
akong sa
beauty of our
pagtingin sa
local
kanya sa
tropical
araw.
gardens
Sa liwanag
and the
ng araw,
community growing
magiging
within
iba ang
them.
lahat.
Come to the program.
Marahil
We're
ay
glad you
umaasa
could join
akong
us
bababa
today
siya
as
at
we explore
sasabihin
the
niyang
beauty
pasensya
of
na
our
siya
local
na
tropical
imbitahan ako
gardens
na
and the
pumasok.
community growing within
Narating
them.
ko ang
Come to the
gusali,
program.
nanatili akong
We're
nakatayo
glad you
sa
could join us
bangketa,
today
nakatingin
as
sa
we
itaas.
explore the beauty of our
Ang
local
apartment
tropical
ni Ricardo
gardens
ay
and
nasa
the
ikatlong
community
palapag.
growing within them. Come to the
Sarado ang
program.
mga kurtina ng
We're
mga
glad you could
bintana.
join us today as we
Naghintay
explore
ako
the
roon ng
beauty of
halos
our
isang
local
oras.
tropical gardens and the
Nagsimulang
community
lumabas ang
growing
mga
within
tao
them.
mula
Come
sa
to the
gusali.
program. We're
Mga
glad you could join us
kapitbahay,
today
mga
as
pamilya,
we explore
lahat
the
ay
beauty
tumitingin
of
sa
our
akin
local
nang may
tropical
pagtataka.
gardens
Ang
and the
iba ay may
community
paghanga.
growing within them. Come to the
Isang
program.
matandang babae ang
We're glad
nagsabi
you could
sa
join
akin,
us today
ang person
as we
quote,
explore the
nawawala ka
beauty
ba,
of our
Mang
local
Pedro?
tropical
Ang
gardens
person quote,
and the
ang person
community
quote,
growing
hindi
within
po,
them. Come to the
naghihintay po
program.
ako sa aking
We're
anak.
glad you could
Ang
join us
person
today
quote, ang
as we
person
explore
quote,
the beauty
nakatira
of
ba
our
ang anak
local
mo rito?
tropical
Ang
gardens
person
and
quote,
the
ang
community
person
growing
quote,
within
opo,
them. Come
sa
to the
ikatlong
program.
palapag. Ang
We're
person
glad you
quote,
could join us
tiningnan
today
niya ako
as
mula
we
ulo
explore the
hanggang walang
beauty
paa.
of our local tropical
Ang aking
gardens
damit ay
and the
gusot, ang
community
aking
growing
buhok ay
within them.
magulo.
Welcome to the program.
Malinaw na
We're glad you
nagpalipas
could
ako
join
ng
us
gabi sa
today
kalye.
as we explore the beauty of
Ampersand
our
quote,
local tropical
ampersand
gardens
quote,
and the
sabi niya
community
natuyo
growing
at
within
umalis
them.
nang walang
Welcome to the
sinabing iba.
program. We're glad you could join us
Nagpatuloy akong
today
maghintay,
as we
ngunit
explore the
hindi
beauty
lumabas
of
si
our
Ricardo.
local tropical gardens
Sarado
and the
pa rin ang
community
mga
growing
kurtina ng
within them.
kanyang
Welcome to
apartment.
the program. We're
Sa
glad you
wakas,
could join us
bandang alas
today
10 ng
as we
umaga,
explore the
sumuko
beauty
ako.
of our local tropical
Bumalik ako
gardens
sa
and
portal
the
kung saan
community
ko
growing
iniwan si
within them.
Maribel.
Welcome to the program.
Gising na
We're
siya.
glad you could join us today
Nakatiklop
as
na
we
niya ang
explore the
kumot at
beauty of
naayos
our
ang mga
local
karton.
tropical gardens and the
Ampersand
community
quote,
growing
magandang
within them.
umaga,
Welcome to the
Pedro.
program. We're
Saan
glad
ka
you could
galing?
join us today
Ampersand quote,
as we explore
ampersand
the
quote,
beauty of our
naggalala lang
local
po,
tropical
ampersand
gardens
quote,
and the
tinitigan
community
niya ako
growing
na
within
para
them.
bang alam
Welcome to
na
the
alam niya
program.
kung saan ako
We're glad
galing.
you could join us today as we
Ampersand quote,
explore the
hinahanap
beauty
mo
of
ang
our
iyong
local
anak,
tropical
hindi ba?
gardens
Ampersand
and the
quote,
community
hindi ko siya
growing
kayang
within them. Welcome to
pagsinungalingan.
the program. glad you
quote,
could join us today
quote,
as we explore the
quote,
beauty
at
of our
nakita mo ba
local
siya?
tropical gardens
Quote,
and the community
quote,
growing
hindi
within them.
lumabas,
Come to the program.
quote,
We're
bumuntong
glad you
huminga
could
si
join us
Maribel.
today as we explore the beauty
Quote,
of our
Pedro,
local
pakinggan
tropical
mo ako ng
gardens
mabuti.
and the community growing
Minsan,
within them.
kailangan
Come to
nating
the
tanggapin
program.
na ang mga
We're
taong
glad
mahal
you could join
natin
us
ay
today
ayaw na
as
sa
we
ating
explore the
malapit.
beauty of our local
Kahit
tropical
gaano kasakit,
gardens
kahit
and the
gaano
community
kahirap
growing within
maunawaan,
them. Come to
kailangan
the
nating
program.
matutong
We're
magpalaya.
glad you could join us
Quote,
today as we explore
quote,
the
ngunit
beauty
siya
of
ang
our
aking
local
anak,
tropical
Doña
gardens
Maribel.
and the community
Siya
growing
ang
within
aking
them.
nag-iisang
Come to the
anak.
program. We're
Hindi ko
glad
lang
you could
siya
join us
basta-basta
today
kayang
as we
bitawan.
explore the beauty of our local tropical
Quote, hindi ko
gardens and the
sinasabing bitawan
community
mo siya.
growing within them.
Sinasabi kong
Come to the
ihinto mo ang
program.
paghabol sa
We're
kanya.
glad you could join us today
Kung gusto
as we
niyang bumalik
explore
sa
the beauty of our
Apos,
local tropical
gagawin niya.
gardens and the community
Ngunit
growing
kailangan
within
itong
them.
maging
Come to
desisyon
the
niya.
program. We're glad
Hindi
you
mo
could
siya
join us
pwedeng
today
pilitin.
as we explore the beauty
Sumakit
of
ang
our
aking
local
kalooban
tropical
sa kanyang
gardens
mga
and
salita
the community
dahil alam
growing
kong tama
within
siya.
them. Come to
Ngunit
the
ayoko
program.
pa ring tanggapin.
We're glad you could join us
Hindi
today
pa.
as we explore the beauty of our
Quote,
local
kailangan
tropical
ko pong
gardens
umalis ng
and the
alas 3 ng
community growing
hapon.
within them. Come
Quote,
to the
sabi ko.
program. We're glad you could join us
Quote,
today
aalis
as we
na ang bus
explore the
pabalik sa
beauty of our
probinsya
local
ko sa
tropical
oras na yun.
gardens and the community growing within them.
May
Come to
pera
the
ka ba
program.
para sa tiket?
We're glad you could join us today as we explore the
ibenta ko
beauty
po
of
ang
our
mga
local
tamales na
tropical
natira.
gardens and the
Sana
community
po ay
growing
sapat ang
within them.
makuha ko.
Come to the program.
Quote,
We're glad you could join us today
matutulungan kitang
as we
ibenta ang
explore the
mga ito.
beauty of our local tropical gardens
quote,
and the
kinuha
community
ko ang
growing
100
within
piso
them.
mula
Come to
sa
the
aking
program.
bulsa at
We're glad
iniabot
you
sa
could join
kanya.
us today as we explore the
Quote,
beauty of our
hindi,
local
Pedro,
tropical
sa
gardens
Apos,
and the
yung
community
perang
growing
yan.
within them. Come
Quote,
to the program.
quote,
We're
pakiusap
glad you
po,
could join us
tanggapin
today
niyo po.
as we explore the
Malaki
beauty
po
of
ang
our local
naitulong niya sa
tropical
akin,
gardens
mas
and
higit
the
sa
community
inaakala niyo.
growing within them. Come
Quote,
to the
kinuha
program.
niya ang pera
We're
ng may
glad you
luha
could
sa
join us
kanyang
today
mga mata.
as we explore the beauty of our
Quote,
local
pagpalain
tropical
ka ng
gardens
Diyos, Pedro.
and the community growing
Isa
within
kang
them.
anghel,
Come to the program.
quote,
We're glad you
quote,
could join
hindi
us
po ako
today
anghel.
as we explore the
Isa
beauty
lang
of
po
our
akong
local
tao na
tropical
nakakilala
gardens
ng isa
and
pang
the
mabuting
community
tao
growing
sa
within
panahong
them.
higit
Come
ko
to the
siyang
program.
kailangan.
We're glad you
Quote,
could join us
niyakap
today
namin ang
as
bawat
we
isa.
explore the beauty of our local
Naramdaman ko
tropical
ang kanyang
gardens
mahinang
and the
katawan
community
laban sa
growing
akin.
within them.
Ang
Come
amoy
to
ng
the
kanyang
program.
lumang sweater
We're
at
glad you could join
alikabok.
us today
Ngunit pati
as
na
we
rin ang
explore
kanyang
the
init,
beauty of
ang
our
kanyang
local
pagiging
tropical
tao.
gardens and the community
Quote,
growing within them.
mag-ingat po
Come
kayo,
to the
Doña
program.
Maribel.
We're glad you could join us today
Quote,
as we
ikaw
explore
din,
the beauty
Pedro.
of our local tropical
At tandaan
gardens
mo,
and
ang
the
ibinigay
community
mo sa
growing
matandang
within
iyon
them.
kagabi,
Come to the program.
ibabalik sa
We're glad you could join
Yun
us
ang
today
universo ng
as we
higit pa.
explore the beauty
Makikita
of
mo,
our local tropical
quote,
gardens
hindi ko
and the
naintindihan
community
kung ano ang
growing
kanyang
within them.
ibig
Come to
sabihin.
the program.
Ako
We're
lang ang
glad you could
matandang
join us
nakilala
today
niya ng
as
gabing
we
iyon.
explore the beauty of our local
Maliban kung,
tropical gardens and the
ngunit
community
bago ako
growing within
makapagtanong,
them. Come to
inihayag
the
ang
program.
aking boss.
We're glad you could join us today
Quote,
as we
kailangan ko
explore
na
the
pong
beauty
umalis,
of our local
quote,
tropical
sabi
gardens
ko.
and the community growing within
Quote,
them.
sige,
Come to the
anak,
program.
lumakad ka ng
We're glad you
payapa.
could join us today
Quote,
as we
kinuha ko
explore
ang
the
aking
beauty of
maleta,
our local
lumakad
tropical
patungo
gardens
sa pinto ng
and the
pagsakay.
community growing within them.
Bago
Come
ako
to the
pumasok,
program.
lumingon ako
We're
sa
glad you
huling
could join us
pagkakataon
today
upang
as we
magpaalam
explore
kay
the beauty
Maribel,
of our
ngunit
local
wala na siya.
tropical gardens and the
Hinanap ko
community
siya sa
growing
buong
within
istasyon.
them. Come to the program.
Nawala siya.
We're glad you could join us
May
today
naramdaman
as
akong
we
kakaiba
explore the
sa aking
beauty of our
dibdib.
local
Tila ba
tropical
nawalan ako ng
gardens
isang
and the
mahalagang
community
bagay.
growing within them. Come
Ngunit
to the
wala akong
program.
oras para
We're glad you
pag-isipan
could join
yun.
us today as we
Malapit
explore
nang
the
umalis
beauty
ang
of our
boss.
local tropical gardens
Umakyat ako.
and the community growing within them.
Natagpuan ko ang
Come to the
aking
program.
upuan.
We're glad you could
Umupo
join
ako
us
sa tabi
today
ng
as we
bintana.
explore the beauty of our
Habang
local
umaandar ang
tropical
bus,
gardens
tiningnan
and
ko
the
sa huling
community growing
pagkakataon
within
ng
them.
istasyon.
Come to the
Ang
program.
Manila na tumanggi
We're
sa
glad you
akin.
could join us
Ang anak
today
na
as we
isinara ang
explore
pinto
the
sa
beauty
akin.
of our
At
local
umiyak
tropical
ako ng
gardens
tahimik sa
and the
buong biyahe
community
pauwi.
growing within them. Come to the
Ngunit ang hindi
program.
ko alam ay
We're
ang
glad
aking
you could
kwento
join us
kay
today
Maribel
as
ay
we explore
nagsisimula
the
pa
beauty
lamang
of our
at
local
ang sinabi
tropical
niya sa
gardens
akin ay
and the
totoo.
community growing within
Ang
them. Come to
universo
the
ay malapit
program.
nang ibalik
We're
sa
glad you
akin
could
ang
join
lahat
us
ng
today
aking
as we
ibinigay sa
explore the
pinaka-hindi
beauty of our
inaasahang
local
paraan.
tropical gardens
Dumating ako
and
sa
the
aming
community
probinsya
growing
sa
within
dapit
them.
hapon ng
Come to the
unang araw
program.
ng Enero.
We're glad you could join us today
Ibinaba ako ng
as we
bus sa
explore the
pangunahing
beauty
plaza
of our
sa harap
local
mismo
tropical
ng
gardens
simbahan kung
and the
saan ako
community
nagpakasal
growing
kay
within
Mang
them.
Jose
Come to the
maraming taon
program.
na ang
We're glad
nakalipas.
you could join us today
Ang
as
lahat
we
ay tila
explore the
pareho.
beauty
ang
our
mga
local
parehong
tropical
kalye, ang
gardens
mga
and
parehong
the
puno,
community
ang
growing
mga
within
parehong
them.
bahay
Come to
na
the
may kanilang
program.
mga mahinang
We're
ilaw.
glad you could join
Ngunit
us
ako,
today
hindi
as
na
we
ako ang
explore
dating
the
ako.
beauty of our local tropical
Nilakad ko ang
gardens
tatlong
and
kanto
the community
patungo sa aking
growing within
bahay.
them. Come to the program.
Ito ay isang
We're
maliit
glad
na
you could join
bahay,
us today
isang palapag
as we
lamang,
explore
na
the
may mga
beauty of
pader
our
na
local
kupas na
tropical
kulay dilaw.
gardens and the community
Binili ko
growing
ito
within
gamit
them.
ang
Come
aking
to the
ipon sa
program.
buong buhay,
We're glad you
matapos ang
could join us
maraming taon
today
ng
as we
pagpupa.
explore the beauty of our
Binuksan
local
ko ang
tropical
pinto.
gardens and the community
Sumalubong sa
growing
akin
within
ang
them.
amoy ng
Come to the
halumigmig at
program.
pagkakasara.
We're glad you could join us
Walang
today
sinuman
as
ang
we
naroroon
explore
sa
the
loob ng
beauty of our
2 araw
local
na wala
tropical
ako.
gardens and the community
Nilapag ko
growing
ang aking
within them.
maleta sa
Come to the
sahig,
program.
umupo ako sa
We're glad
lumang
you could
sopa sa
join us
sala,
today
at
as we
nanatili roon
explore
sa
the
dilim,
beauty of our
walang ganang
local
buksan
tropical
ang ilaw.
gardens and the
Ang
community
aking
growing
isip
within
ay
them.
hindi
Come to the
tumitigil sa
program.
pag-ikot.
We're glad you could join us
Iniisip
today
ko si Ricardo,
as we
si
explore the
Bianca,
beauty
ang
of our
pinto na
local
isinara
tropical
sa aking
gardens
mukha.
and the community
Ngunit
growing within
iniisip
them.
ko rin
Come
si
to the
Maribel,
program.
ang kanyang
We're
biglaang
glad you could join
pagkawala
us
sa
today
istasyon,
as we
ang kanyang
explore the
huling mga
beauty of
salita.
our local tropical
Ang
gardens
ibinigay mo
and
sa
the
matandang
community
iyon
growing
kagabi,
within them.
ibabalik
Come
sa
to the
ampersand
program.
apos.
We're
Yun ang
glad you could
universo
join
ng
us
higit
today
pa.
as we explore the
Sinong
beauty of
matanda?
our local tropical
Ano
gardens
ang kanyang
and the
pinagsasabi?
community growing within them.
Siya
Come
lang
to
ang
the program.
tinulungan ko.
We're glad you could join us
Maliban kung
today
hindi,
as we explore the
walang
beauty of our
saysay.
local tropical gardens
Totoo si
and the
Maribel.
community growing within them.
Kumain siya
Come to the
kasama ko,
program.
natulog sa
We're
aking
glad you
tabi,
could join us
nagbenta
today
ng
as
tamales
we
kasama
explore the
ko.
beauty of our local
Isa siyang
tropical
taong may
gardens
laman at
and the
dugo.
community growing within
Ngunit
them.
bakit
Come
siya
to the
biglang
program.
nawala?
We're glad you could
Ininom
join
ko
us
ang
today
aking ulo.
as we explore the beauty
Pagod
of
na
our
ako.
local tropical gardens
Ang aking
and the
isip ay
community
niloloko
growing
ako.
within them. Come to the
Marahil ay
program.
umalis lang
We're
si
glad you
Maribel
could join us
habang ako
today
ay
as we
sumasakay ng
explore the
bus.
beauty of our local
Iyon
tropical
lang.
gardens and the community
Dumaan ang mga
growing within
unang
them.
araw ng
Come to
Enero
the
ng
program.
mabagal.
We're glad you could join
Hindi
us
ako
today
masyadong
as
lumabas
we
ng
explore
bahay.
the beauty of our local
Wala akong
tropical
ganang
gardens
makita ang
and the
sinuman.
community growing within
Ang
them.
aking
Come
mga
to the
kapitbahay
program.
ay
We're
kumakatok
glad
sa
you could
aking
join us
pinto
today
upang
as we
batiin ako
explore
ng
the beauty
maligayang
of our
bagong
local
taon.
tropical gardens and the
Nagpapasalamat
community
ako mula sa
growing within
pinto
them.
at muling
Come to the
nagsasara.
program. We're glad
Si
you
Aling
could join us
Lupita,
today
ang aking
as we explore
kapitbahay
the
sa buong
beauty
buhay,
of our
ay
local
nag-alala.
tropical gardens and the
Ampersand
community
quote,
growing
Corazon,
within them.
ayos ka
Come
lang
to the
ba?
program. We're
Ang
glad
payat
you could
mo.
join us today as we
Kumain ka
explore
na ba?
the beauty of our
Ampersand
local
quote,
tropical
ampersand quote,
gardens
opo,
and the
Aling
community
Lupita,
growing within them.
ayos lang po
Come to the
ako,
program.
medyo pagod lang.
We're glad you could
Ampersand
join us
quote,
today
ampersand
as we
quote,
explore the
bumisita ka
beauty
ba
of
kay
our local
Ricardo sa
tropical
bagong taon?
gardens and the
Ampersand
community
quote.
growing
Ang tanong
within
na
them.
yon ay
Come to the
sumakit na
program.
parang saksak.
We're glad you could join us today
Ampersand quote,
as we
opo,
explore the
ampersand
beauty of our
quote,
local
ampersand
tropical
quote, at
gardens
kumusta
and
ang
the
ating
community
binata?
growing within them.
Ampersand
Come
quote,
to the
ang
program.
ating binata.
We're glad
Lahat
you
sa
could join us
probinsya
today
ay
as we
naalala si
explore the
Ricardo
beauty of
bilang
our
mabuting
local
bata na
tropical
nag-aral
gardens
sa
and the
Maynila.
community growing
Ang
within them.
karangalan ng
Come to the
aming
program.
lugar.
We're glad you could join
Ampersand
us
quote,
today
ayos lang
as
po
we
siya.
explore the beauty of our local
Napakaabala.
tropical gardens
Ampersand quote,
and the community
ampersand quote.
growing within them.
Sigurado akong
Come
may
to the
plano na siya
program.
para sa
We're glad
ampersand
you could join us
apos. Yun na
today
lumipat
as we
doon,
explore
hindi
the
ba?
beauty of our local
Ang isang
tropical
mabuting
gardens
anak
and
ay
the
hindi
community
iwan ang
growing
kanyang
within
ina
them.
na
Come to
nag-isa
the
rito.
program.
Ampersand
We're
quote.
glad you could
Hindi
join
ako
us today
sumagot,
as
ngunit
we
lang ako
explore
nang
the
may
beauty
lungkot
of
at
our local
isinara ang
tropical
pinto.
gardens and the
Noong
community growing
ika-negatibo
within
5
them.
ng Enero,
Come to the
nagpa siya
program.
akong may
We're
kailangan
glad you
akong
could join
gawin.
us today as we
Hindi
explore
ako
the
pwedeng
beauty of
manatiling
our local
nakakulong
tropical
magpakailanman.
gardens and the community
Kailangan
growing
kong
within them.
magtrabaho.
Come to the program.
Kailangan
We're
kong
glad you
libangin
could join
ang
us
aking
today
sarili.
as we explore the
Bumalik
beauty of
ako sa
our local
labanderya
tropical
kung saan
gardens
ako
and the
nagtrabaho sa
community
loob ng
growing
maraming
within
taon.
them. Come to the program.
Si Aling
We're
Carmen,
glad
ang
you could join
may-ari,
us
ay
today
tinanggap
as
ako
we
ng may
explore the
bukas na
beauty
mga
of our
braso.
local tropical gardens
Ampersand
and the
quote,
community
Corazon,
growing
mabuti
within them.
ampersand
Come to the
apos, di
program.
nakita kita.
We're glad you could join us today
Magtatrabaho ka
as we
ba?
explore the
Ampersand
beauty
quote,
of our local
ampersand quote,
tropical
opo,
gardens
Aling
and the
Carmen,
community
kung
growing
mayroon pa
within them.
kayong lugar
Come to the
para sa
program.
akin.
We're
Ampersand
glad you
quote,
could join us
ampersand
today
quote,
as we
palaging may
explore the
lugar
beauty
para
of
sa
our
ampersand
local
apos
tropical
ko.
gardens and the community
Magsimula ka
growing
bukas
within
kung
them.
gusto mo,
Come to the
ampersand
program.
quote, at
We're
ginawa
glad you
ko.
could join us today as we
Bumalik ako
explore
sa
the
aking
beauty
dating
of our
gawain.
local tropical gardens
Gigising
and
ng
the
alas 5
community
ng
growing
umaga,
within them.
pupunta sa
Come to the
labanderya,
program.
maglalaba
We're
ng
glad
damit
you could
ng
join
iba
us
sa loob
today
ng walang
as we
oras,
explore the
babalik
beauty
sa
of our
bahay na
local
pagod,
tropical
kakain ng
gardens
simpleng
and the
hapunan,
community growing
matutulog.
within them. Come to the
Ngunit
program.
mahirap ang mga
We're glad
gabi
you could join
dahil
us
sa gabi,
today as
kapag
we
tahimik
explore
ang
the
lahat,
beauty of
hindi
our
ako
local tropical
pinatatahimik ng
gardens
aking
and the
isip.
community growing within
Iniisip
them.
ko si
Come to the
Ricardo.
program. We're glad you
Iniisip
could
ko
join
kung
us
ayos lang
today
siya,
as we
kung
explore
namimiss
the
niya ako,
beauty of our
kahit
local
kaunti,
tropical
kung
gardens
nagsisisi siyang
and the
isinara ang
community
pinto.
growing within them. Come to the
Isang bahagi
program.
ng akin ay
We're glad
gustong
you could join
tumawag
us
sa
today
kanya,
as we
gustong
explore
marinig
the
ang kanyang
beauty of our
boses.
local
Ngunit ang
tropical
isa pang
gardens
bahagi,
and the
ang
community
bahagi na
growing within
ginising ni
them.
Maribel
Come to
sa
the
akin,
program.
ay
We're
nagsasabing
glad you
huwag
could
kong
join us
gawin
today
na kung
as we
gusto niyang
explore the
makipag-usap
beauty
sa
of our
akin,
local
siya
tropical
ang dapat
gardens
gumawa ng
and the
unang
community
hakbang.
growing within them. Come to the
Lumipas ang 2
program.
linggo,
We're glad
pagkatapos
you could join
3,
us today
pagkatapos
as we
4.
explore the beauty of our
Dumating ang
local tropical
ika-negatibo
gardens
15 ng
and the
Pebrero,
community
ang
growing
aking
within
kaarawan.
them. Come to the program.
Anim na po ang
We're glad
percent
you could join
apos,
us
di
today
isang taong
as we
gulang na na
explore the
ako.
beauty of our local
Walang
tropical
nakaalala
gardens
o sa
and the
tingin ko
community
walang
growing
tumawag
within
sa
them.
akin.
Welcome to the program.
Nagdala si
We're
Aling
glad you
Lupita
could join
ng
us
isang
today
piraso ng
as we
cake na
explore
natira
the
mula
beauty
sa
of our
handaan ng
local
kanyang
tropical
apo.
gardens
Ngunit yun
and the
lang.
community growing within
Hindi
them.
tumawag
Welcome
si
to the
Ricardo,
program.
kahit isang
We're glad
mensahe,
you could join us
kahit
today
isang
as we
ampersand
explore
quote,
the
maligayang
beauty of our
kaarawan,
local
inay,
tropical gardens
ampersand quote,
and the
ng gabing
community
iyon,
growing within
umiyak
them.
ako
Welcome to
hanggang
the
sa
program.
makatulog.
We're glad you could join us
Naramdaman kong
today
mas
as we
nag-iisa ako
explore the
kaysa dati.
beauty of our local tropical
Ngunit
gardens
pagkatapos
and
may
the community
kakaibang
growing
nangyari.
within them. Welcome to the
Noong
program.
ika-negatibo
We're glad
18
you
ng
could join us
Pebrero,
today
2
as we
araw
explore the
matapos ang
beauty
aking
of our
kaarawan,
local tropical
nagtatrabaho
gardens
ako sa
and the
labanderya
community
nang
growing
pumasok
within
ang
them.
isang
Welcome to the
eleganteng
program.
babae.
We're glad you could join us
Nakasuot siya ng
today
isang
as we
kulay abo na
explore the
suit,
beauty
may
of our
takong na
local
sapatos,
tropical
at
gardens
isang
and the
portfolyo na
community
gawa sa
growing
balat.
within them. Welcome to the
Ampersand
program.
quote, si
We're
Aling
glad you
Corazon
could
po
join
ba?
us today
Ampersand
as we
quote,
explore the
tanong niya.
beauty of our local tropical
Ampersand quote,
gardens
opo,
and the
ako po.
community growing within them.
Ano po ang
Welcome to
may
the
paglilingkod
program.
ko?
We're
Ampersand
glad you
quote,
could join us
ampersand
today
quote.
as
Ang
we
pangalan
explore
ko
the
po ay
beauty of our
Gabriela
local
Moreno.
tropical gardens
Isa
and
po
the
akong
community
abogada.
growing within them. Welcome to the
kailangan ko po
program.
kayong
We're
makausap.
glad you could join us today
Isang
as we
mahalagang bagay po
explore the
ito,
beauty
ang
of our
person
local
quote,
tropical
bumilis ang
gardens
tibok ng
and the
aking
community
puso.
growing within them. Welcome to
Abogada,
the
ano
program.
kaya ang kailangan
We're
ng
glad you
isang
could join
abogada
us
sa
today
akin?
as we explore the
Ang
beauty
person
of our
quote,
local
ano po ang
tropical
nangyari,
gardens
Ricardo?
and the community growing
Ayos
within
lang
them.
po ba siya?
Welcome to the
Ang person
program.
quote,
We're
ang
glad you
person
could
quote,
join us
hindi
today
po ito
as we
tungkol sa
explore
inyong
the
anak,
beauty of our
Aling
local
Corazon,
tropical
tungkol po
gardens
ito sa
and the
ibang bagay.
community growing within them.
Pwede po
Welcome
ba
to the
tayong
program.
mag-usap ng pribado?
We're glad you could
Ang
join
person
us
quote,
today as
tiningnan
we
ko si
explore
Aling
the
Carmen.
beauty of our local tropical
Tumango siya.
gardens and the community
Ang person
growing
quote,
within them.
sige,
Welcome to the
Corazon,
program.
ako na ang
We're
bahala
glad you
dito.
could join
Ang
us
person
today
quote,
as we
lumabas
explore
kami sa
the beauty of
labanderya.
our local tropical
Dinala
gardens
ako ng
and the
abogada sa
community
isang
growing
kalapit na
within them.
kapihan.
Welcome to the program.
Umupo kami
We're
sa
glad you
isang
could
mesa
join
sa
us
dulo.
today as we explore
Ang
the
person
beauty
quote,
of our
Aling
local
Corazon,
tropical gardens
narito po
and
ako
the
bilang
community
kinatawan
growing
ng
within
isang
them.
kliyente
Welcome
na
to the
mas
program.
pinipiling
We're
manatiling
glad
hindi
you could join us
nagpapakilala
today
sa ngayon.
as we explore the beauty of
Hiniling
our
po niya
local
sa akin na
tropical
hanapin
gardens
kayo ng
and the
partikular.
community
Ang
growing
person
within
quote,
them.
ang
Welcome
person
to the
quote, ako
program.
po.
We're glad you could join
Bakit
us
po,
today
ang person
as we
quote,
explore
ang
the
person
beauty
quote,
of our local
naroroon po
tropical
ang aking
gardens
kliyente
and the
noong gabi ng
community
Disyembre
growing within them.
31
Welcome to
sa
the
Maynila.
program. We're glad you could
Nakita
join
po
us
niya ang
today
ginawa
as we
ninyo, ang
explore the
person
beauty
quote,
of our
nanlamig
local
ang aking
tropical
dugo.
gardens and the
Ang
community
person
growing
quote,
within
ano
them.
po ang
Welcome to
nakita
the
niya?
program.
Ang person
We're
quote,
glad you
ang
could join
person
us
quote,
today as
nakita
we
po niya
explore
kung
the
paano
beauty
ninyo
of our local
tinulungan ang isang
tropical
matandang
gardens
babae
and
na
the
nasa
community
kalye.
growing within them. Welcome to
Ibinigay
the
niyo ang
program.
inyong sweater,
We're
ang
glad you could
inyong
join us
sandalyas,
today as we
ibinahagi
explore
niyo
the
ang inyong
beauty of our
pagkain sa
local
kanya.
tropical gardens and the
Lubos pong
community
humanga ang
growing
aking
within them.
kliyente sa
Welcome to
inyong
the program.
kabutihan. Ang
We're
person
glad you
quote,
could join
hindi
us
ako
today as
makapaniwala
we
sa
explore
aking
the
narinig.
beauty of our local
May
tropical
nakakita
gardens
sa lahat ng
and the
iyon.
community growing within
Ang
them.
person
Welcome
quote,
to the
ginawa
program.
ko lang po
We're
kung
glad
ano
you
ang
could join
gagawin
us
ng
today
sinumang
as we
disenteng tao.
explore the
Ang
beauty
person
of our
quote,
local
ang person,
tropical
hindi ko
gardens
po
and the
maintindihan.
community growing within
Ang
them.
person
Welcome to
quote,
the
may
program.
alok po sa inyo
We're
ang
glad you
aking
could join us
kliyente.
today
Ngunit
as we
gusto po
explore
muna
the
niya kayong
beauty of our
makilala ng
local
mas
tropical
mabuti.
gardens and the
Gusto
community
po niyang
growing within
siguraduhin
them.
na kayo ang
Welcome to the
tamang tao.
program.
Ang person
We're glad
quote,
you could join
tamang
us
tao
today
para
as
saan.
we explore the beauty of
Yumuko
our
ang
local
abogada.
tropical gardens and the
Ang person
community
quote,
growing
Aling
within them.
Corazon,
Welcome to
gaano
the
po kayo
program.
kalapit sa bayan
We're glad you
ito?
could join us today as
Gaano
we
po kayo
explore the
kalapit sa
beauty
inyong
of our local
kasalukuyang
tropical
buhay? Ang
gardens
person
and the
quote,
community
nagulat ako sa
growing
tanong.
within them. Welcome to the
Ang
program.
person quote,
We're
ito
glad
po
you
ang
could join
aking
us today
tahanan.
as we explore the
Dito po
beauty
ako
of our
nanirahan
local
sa buong
tropical
buhay ko.
gardens
Ang
and the
person quote,
community
ang
growing
person
within
quote.
them.
Ngunit
Welcome to the
mayroon po ba
program.
kayong anumang
We're
bagay
glad you
na
could
talagang
join us today
nag-ugnay sa
as
inyo
we
rito?
explore the beauty of our
Malapit
local
na pamilya,
tropical gardens
mahalagang
and the
pangako.
community
Ang person
growing
quote,
within them.
naisip
Welcome
ko
to
si
the program.
Ricardo. Ngunit
We're glad
ayaw
you
ni
could join
Ricardo
us
na
today
malapit sa
as we
kanya.
explore the beauty of our
Naisip
local
ko ang aking
tropical
mga
gardens
kapitbahay,
and the
ngunit
community
walang
growing
sinuman sa
within them.
kanila ang
Welcome to the
talagang malapit.
program. We're glad you could
Naisip
join
ko
us
ang
today
aking
as
trabaho,
we explore
ngunit
the
ito ay
beauty of
isang
our
trabaho
local
lang na
tropical
kayang gawin
gardens
ng
and
sinuman.
the community growing within
Hindi
them.
ako
Welcome
sumagot.
to the program.
Sa
We're
huli,
glad you could
ang
join
person
us
quote,
today
wala
as
po
we
akong
explore
anumang
the
bagay na
beauty of our
talagang
local
nag-ugnay sa
tropical
akin.
gardens
Ang
and
person
the
quote,
community
umiti ang
growing within
abogada.
them. Welcome to the program.
Ang person quote,
We're glad you could
perfecto.
join us today as
Kung
we
gayon,
explore the
hiniling
beauty
po
of
sa
our
akin ng
local
aking
tropical
kliyente
gardens
na
and
magtanong
the
sa inyo ng
community
isang
growing within them.
napakahalagang tanong.
Welcome to the program.
Payag
We're
po ba
glad you
kayong
could join
lumipat
us
sa
today
Manila?
as we explore the beauty
Magsimula
of
ng
our
isang
local
bagong
tropical
buhay, ang
gardens
person
and
quote.
the community growing within them.
Lumipat sa
Welcome to
Maynila.
the program. We're
Bakit?
glad you could join us today
Ang
as
person
we
quote,
explore the
kailangan po
beauty
ng
of our
aking
local
kliyente ng
tropical
kasama.
gardens
Isa
and the
po siyang
community
matandang
growing
tao,
within them.
walang
Welcome
pamilya,
to the
at
program.
matapos
We're
makita ang
glad you
inyong
could join us
kabutihan ng
today
gabing
as
iyon,
we explore the
naniniwala
beauty
po
of
siyang
our
kayo ang
local tropical
perpektong
gardens
kasama. Ang
and the
person
community
quote,
growing
kasama.
within them.
Tulad
Welcome
ng
to the
isang
program.
nurse.
We're glad you
Ang
could join
person
us
quote,
today
hindi
as
po
we explore
eksakto.
the
Tulad
beauty
ng
of our
isang
local
kaibigan,
tropical
isang
gardens
katiwala,
and the
isang
community
taong
growing
kasama
within
sa
them.
kanyang
Welcome to the
tahanan. Ang
program.
person quote,
We're glad you
umiikot
could
ang
join us
aking
today
ulo.
as we explore the
Walang
beauty
saysay
of
ang
our
lahat
local
ng ito.
tropical gardens
Ang
and the
person
community
quote, at
growing
sino po
within them.
eksakto ang
Welcome to the
inyong
program.
kliyente?
We're glad you could
Bakit
join
po
us today
napakaraming
as we
lihim?
explore
Ang
the
person
beauty
quote,
of our
ang person
local
quote,
tropical
siya po
gardens
ay isang
and the
babaeng may
community
edad na
growing within them.
75,
Welcome to the
isang
program.
mayamang biyuda,
We're glad
wala
you could
pong
join
mga
us
anak
today
o malapit
as we
na
explore the
kamag-anak at
beauty of our
matapos
local
makita ang
tropical
inyong
gardens
kabutihan ng
and the
gabing
community
iyon,
growing
nagpasya
within
po
them.
siyang gusto
Come
niya
to the
kayong
program.
makilala.
We're glad you could join us
Itong po
today
ang person
as we
Apos,
explore the
di
beauty
limang
of our
taong gulang.
local tropical gardens
Biyuda,
and the
walang
community
anak.
growing within them.
May
Come
kung
to the
anong gumalaw
program.
sa aking
We're
alaala.
glad you could join us today
Isang
as we
pag-uusap,
explore the
isang
beauty
mahinang
of our
boses sa
local
dilim ng
tropical
isang malamig
gardens
na
and the
portal.
community growing within
Ampersand
them.
quote,
Come to the
Maribel,
program.
ampersand
We're
quote,
glad you
bulong
could
ko.
join us today as we
Itinaas
explore
ng
the
abogada
beauty
ang
of our
kanyang
local
kilay.
tropical gardens and the
Ampersand quote,
community
kaya
growing
nagkita na
within
pala
them.
kayo.
Come to the program.
Magaling.
We're glad you could join us today
Mas
as
mapapadali
we
ang mga
explore the
bagay.
beauty of our
Ampersand
local
quote,
tropical
ampersand
gardens
quote.
and the
Ngunit si
community
Maribel ay
growing
nasa
within them.
kalye,
Come to
walang
the
sapin sa
program.
paa, walang
We're glad you
tirahan.
could join us
Ampersand
today
quote,
as we
ampersand
explore the
quote.
beauty
Hindi
of our
po,
local
Aling
tropical
Corazon.
gardens and the
Hindi
community
po walang
growing
tirahan
within
si
them.
Maribel.
Come to the program. We're
Sinusubukan
glad you
po
could
kayo
join
ni
us
Maribel.
today as we
Ampersand
explore
quote,
the beauty
sinusubukan
of our
ako.
local tropical gardens
Ampersand
and the
quote,
community
ginagawa po
growing
ito ng
within them.
aking
Come
kliyente
to the
bawat taon.
program. We're glad you could join us
Nagpapanggap po
today
siyang isang
as we
taong nasa
explore the
lansangan
beauty of
at
our local
naglalakad sa
tropical
mga kalye
gardens
tuwing
and the
Kapaskuhan.
community growing within them. Come
Pinapanood
to the
po niya kung
program.
paano siya
We're glad
tinatrato
you
ng
could join
mga
us
tao.
today as we explore
Ilan
the
ang
beauty
tumutulong
of
sa
our
kanya?
local tropical gardens
Ilan ang
and the
binabaliwala
community
siya?
growing within them. Come to
Ito
the
po ang kanyang
program.
paraan
We're
upang
glad you could
makahanap
join us
ng mga
today
taong
as
tunay
we
na
explore
mabuti
the
sa isang
beauty of
mundong
our
puno
local
ng
tropical
kawalang
gardens
interes.
and the
Ampersand
community
quote,
growing
hindi
within
ako
them. Come to
makapaniwala
the
sa aking
program.
naririnig.
We're glad you could join us
Si
today
Maribel ay
as
isang
we explore
pagsubok.
the beauty of our local
Lahat ay
tropical
isang
gardens
pagsubok at
and the
nakapasa ako
community
sa
growing
pagsubok.
within them. Come to the
Ampersand
program.
quote,
We're
hindi lang
glad
po
you could
kayo
join us
nakapasa,
today
Aling
as we
Corazon.
explore the beauty of our
Kayo po
local
ang
tropical
nag-isang tao
gardens
sa loob
and the
ng 5
community
taon
growing
na
within
nag-alok
them.
ng
Come
tulong
to the
nang hindi
program.
umaasa ng
We're
anumang
glad you could
kapalit.
join us today as
Ang
we
nag-iisang
explore the
nagbahagi
beauty
ng
of our local
kakaunting
tropical
mayroon kayo.
gardens and the
Ang
community
nag-iisang
growing within
nagtrato
them.
sa kanya
Come to
ng
the
may
program.
dignidad.
We're
Ampersand
glad you
quote,
could join us
nagsimulang
today
tumulo
as we
ang mga
explore
luha
the
sa
beauty
aking
of our
pisngi.
local tropical gardens
Ampersand
and the
quote, wala
community
po akong
growing
ginawang
within them.
espesyal.
Come to the
Nakita ko
program.
lang po ang
We're
isang
glad you
taong
could join us
nangangailangan
today
ng tulong.
as we explore the
Ampersand quote,
beauty of our
ampersand
local
quote,
tropical
eksakto.
gardens and the community
At iyon
growing
po ang
within
dahilan
them.
kung
Come
bakit
to the
kayo
program.
espesyal.
We're glad you could join
Dahil
us
ang
today
karamihan sa
as
mga
we
tao
explore
ay
the beauty
nakikita ang
of our local
pagdurusa at
tropical
tumitingin
gardens
sa ibang
and the
direksyon,
community
ngunit
growing
hindi
within
kayo.
them. Come to the program.
Huminto kayo
We're
at
glad you
ngayon
could join us
gusto kayong
today as we
gantimpalaan ng
explore
aking
the beauty
kliyente.
of our local
Ampersand quote,
tropical gardens
ampersand quote,
and the
hindi ko
community
po
growing
kailangan ng
within them.
gantimpala.
Come to the program.
Hindi ko
We're
po yun
glad you could
ginawa
join us
para
today
doon.
as we
Ampersand
explore
quote,
the beauty
ampersand
of our
quote,
local
alam ko po.
tropical gardens and the
At kaya nga
community
po karapat
growing
dapat
within
kayo
them.
sa
Come to the
gantimpalang ito.
program.
Ampersand
We're glad
quote.
you could join us today as
Kinuha
we
ng
explore
abogada
the
ang isang
beauty of our
folder
local
mula sa kanyang
tropical gardens
portfolio.
and the community growing
Ampersand
within
quote,
them. Come to
hiniling
the
po sa
program.
akin ng aking
We're glad
kliyente
you
na
could join
ialok
us
sa
today
inyo ang
as we
sumusunod.
explore the
Isang
beauty of
tahanan
our
sa
local
Maynila,
tropical
sa kanyang
gardens
sariling
and the
bahay,
community
isang
growing
pribadong
within them.
silid,
Come to the
kumpletong
program.
gamit, kasama
We're
ang
glad you could
pagkain.
join us
At
today
isang
as
buwanang
we
sahod na
explore the
20
beauty of our
ampersand
local
apos,
tropical gardens
5,000
and the
piso
community
para lang
growing
samahan
within
siya.
them. Come to the
Ampersand quote,
program.
20
We're glad you
ampersand
could join
apos,
us today as we
5,000
explore
piso.
the beauty of our local
Iyon ay mas
tropical
malaki
gardens
kaysa sa
and the
kinikita ko sa
community
3
growing
buwan sa
within them.
labanderya.
Come to the program. We're
Ampersand
glad
quote,
you could join
bakit
us
po?
today as we explore
Bakit
the
po niya
beauty of
gagawin
our
ang lahat
local
ng ito
tropical
para sa
gardens
akin?
and the
Ampersand
community
quote,
growing within
ampersand
them.
quote,
Come to the
dahil po
program.
nag-isa siya.
We're glad you could join us
Dahil sa
today
kabila ng
as we
lahat ng
explore
kanyang
the
pera,
beauty of
wala
our
siyang
local
sinuman.
tropical gardens and
At
the
dahil sa
community
inyo,
growing
nakita
within
po
them.
niya ang
Come
isang
to the
bagay na
program.
hindi niya nakita
We're
sa
glad you could
sinuman.
join us today as we
Isang
explore
pusong
the
tunay na
beauty of our
mabuti,
local
ampersand
tropical
quote,
gardens
tiningnan ko
and the
ang seke
community
na nasa
growing
aking
within
mga
them.
kamay.
Come to the program. We're
100,000
glad you could
piso.
join us today as we
Pera na
explore the
kayang
beauty
magpabago
of
ng
our
aking
local
buhay.
tropical gardens and the
Ampersand
community
quote,
growing
kailangan
within
ko pong
them. Come
mag-isip.
to the program.
Ampersand quote,
We're
sabi ko
glad
sa
you could
huli.
join us today as we
Ampersand
explore
quote,
the beauty
syempre
of our
po,
local
maglaan po
tropical
kayo ng
gardens
inyong
and
oras,
the community
ngunit huwag
growing
po
within
masyadong
them. Come
matagal.
to the program.
Sabit
We're
na
glad you
po ang
could join
aking
us
kliyente
today
na muli
as we
kayong
explore the
makilala
beauty
sa
of our local
pagkakataong ito
tropical
sa kanyang
gardens
tunay na
and the community
pagkakakilanlan.
growing within them.
Ampersand
Come
quote,
to the
tumayo
program.
ang abogada,
We're glad you
binigyan
could
ako
join
ng
us today
kanyang card.
as we explore the beauty
Ampersand
of our
quote,
local
tawagan niyo
tropical
po ako
gardens
kapag
and the
nakapagpasya na
community
kayo.
growing within them. Come to the
Naroon po ang
program.
aking numero,
We're glad you could
ampersand
join us
quote,
today
at umalis
as we
siya.
explore the
Iniwan
beauty
akong
of our
mag-isa na
local
may
tropical
seke na
gardens and
100,000
the
piso
community
at
growing
isang
within them.
desisyon na
Come to the
magpapabago
program.
sa aking
We're
buhay
glad you could join us
magpakailanman.
today as we
Nang
explore
gabi
the
niyon,
beauty of
hindi
our
ako
local
nakatulog.
tropical gardens and the
Paulit-ulit kong
community growing
iniisip ang
within
lahat
them.
ng
Come to the
nangyari.
program. We're
Si
glad you
Maribel
could join
ang
us today
pagsubok ang
as we
alok.
explore the beauty of
Isang
our local
bahagi ng
tropical
akin ay
gardens
gustong
and the
tanggapin.
community growing within
Gustong
them.
umalis sa
Come to the
bayang ito.
program. We're glad you
Gustong
could join us
magsimulang
today
muli.
as we explore the
Gustong
beauty of
maramdaman
our
na may
local
layunin ang
tropical
aking
gardens
buhay
and the
bukod sa
community
paglalaban ng
growing
damit
within
ng
them.
iba.
Come to the program.
Ngunit ang
We're
isa pang
glad you could join
bahagi
us
ay
today
natatakot.
as we explore the beauty
Takot
of
sa
our
hindi
local
kilala,
tropical
takot na
gardens
iwan ang lahat
and the
ng
community
aking
growing
nakasanayan.
within them. Come to the
At
program.
pagkatapos,
We're
naisip
glad
ko
you
si
could join us
Ricardo.
today as we
Kung
explore the
pupunta ako
beauty
sa
of our
Maynila,
local
mas
tropical
malapit ako sa
gardens
kanya.
and the community growing
Marahil ay
within them.
makikita ko
Come to
siya
the program.
paminsan-minsan.
We're glad you could join us
Marahil
today
ay
as we
maaayos namin
explore
ang
the
mga
beauty
bagay.
of our local tropical
O marahil
gardens
hindi.
and the community growing
Marahil
within
ay
them.
panahon na
Come to the
upang ihinto
program.
ang pamumuhay
We're glad you
para
could
sa
join us
aking
today
anak at
as we
magsimulang
explore the
mamuhay
beauty
para
of
sa
our
aking
local
sarili.
tropical tropical gardens and the
Tatlong araw
community
akong
growing
nag-isip.
within them. Welcome to the
Tatlong
program.
araw na halos
We're glad
hindi
you
ako
could join us
kumain,
today
halos
as
hindi
we
natulog,
explore the beauty of
paulit-ulit
our
lang sa
local
isang
tropical
tanong.
gardens and the
Dapat
community
ko bang
growing
tanggapin?
within them. Welcome to the
Noong
program.
ika-negatibo
We're glad you
20
could
ng
join us
Pebrero,
today
sa
as we
wakas ay
explore the
nakapagpasya
beauty
ako.
of our local tropical
Tinawagan
gardens
ko ang
and the
abogada.
community growing within them.
Ampersand
Welcome
ko,
to the
attorney.
program. We're glad you could join
Gabriela,
us today
ako po si
as
Aling
we explore
Corazon.
the beauty of our local
Ampersand
tropical
po,
gardens
Aling
and the
Corazon,
community
masaya po
growing
akong
within
marinig
them.
kayo.
Welcome to the program. We're
Nakapagpasya na
glad
po
you
ba
could join
kayo?
us today
Ampersand
as
po,
we
huminga
explore the
ako ng
beauty
malalim.
of our local tropical gardens
Ampersand ko,
and the
tinatanggap
community
ko po.
growing within them. Welcome to
Gusto
the
ko pong
program.
makilala ang
We're
inyong
glad you could
kliyente.
join us today as we
Gusto ko pong
explore the
marinig ang
beauty
kanyang
of our local
sasabihin sa
tropical
akin.
gardens
Ampersand
and the
po,
community
narinig ko
growing
ang isang
within them.
ngiti sa
Welcome to
kanyang
the
boses.
program. We're glad you could
Ampersand
join us
po,
today
magaling.
as we explore the beauty of our
Masisiyahan po
local
ang aking
tropical
kliyente.
gardens and the community
Maaari
growing
po ba
within
kayong
them.
maglakbay
Come to
sa
the
Maynila
program.
sa Biyernes na
We're
ito?
glad you could join us today as we explore the beauty of our
pwede
local
po,
tropical gardens and the community growing
perfecto.
within them. Come to the program.
Ipadadala ko po ang
We're
mga
glad you
tiket
could
sa
join
bus
us
sa
today
pamamagitan
as
ng
we
email,
explore the
unang
beauty of
klase,
our local
at isang
tropical
super ang
gardens
maghihintay
and the
sa inyo
community
sa
growing
estasyon
within them.
upang
Come
ihatid
to the
kayo sa
program.
tirahan ng
We're
aking
glad you could
kliyente.
join us today as we explore
Tirahan.
the beauty of our local tropical gardens and the community
Nakatira
growing
po ang
within
aking
them. Come
kliyente
to the
sa isang
program.
eksklusibong
We're
lugar
glad
sa
you could join
Maynila.
us today as we explore the
Park.
beauty of our local tropical
Makikita niyo po,
gardens
Aling
and the
Corazon,
community
malapit
growing
nang
within them.
magbago ang
Come to
inyong
the
buhay.
program.
Ampersand
We're
quote,
glad you could join
ibinaba
us
namin ang
today as we
telepono.
explore the beauty of our
Nanatili akong
local tropical
nakatingin sa
gardens
telepono sa
and the
aking
community
kamay,
growing
hindi pa rin
within them. Come
makapaniwala
to the
sa
program.
nangyayari.
We're glad you could join
Binigyan
us
ako ni
today
Aling
as
Carmen
we
ng isang
explore the
araw na
beauty of
pahinga
our
nang
local
ipaliwanag
tropical
kung
gardens
kailangan
and
kong
the community
maglakbay.
growing within them.
Hindi
Come
ko
to the
sinabi
program.
kung saan o
We're
bakit,
glad you could
sinabi
join
ko
us
lang na
today
ito ay
as
isang
we
mahalagang
explore the
bagay.
beauty of our local tropical
Noong Biyernes,
gardens and the
ika-negatibo
community growing
23
within
ng
them.
Pebrero,
Come to the program.
sumakay ako sa
We're
unang
glad
klase
you
na
could join us
bus.
today as we
Ito
explore
ang
the
unang
beauty of our
pagkakataon
local
sa aking
tropical
buhay na
gardens
naglakbay
and
ako
the
ng
community
ganito.
growing within them. Come to the
Komportable ang mga
program.
upuan,
We're
may
glad you
espasyo
could join
para
us
iunat
today
ang mga
as we
binti.
explore the beauty of our
Binigyan
local
kanila ng
tropical
libreng tubig
gardens
at
and the
biskwit.
community growing
May
within them.
telebisyon
Come
sa
to the
bawat
program.
upuan.
We're glad you could join us
Naramdaman kong
today
hindi ako
as we
nararapat.
explore the beauty of our
Ang
local
ibang mga
tropical
pasahero
gardens
ay
and the
nakasuot ng
community
eleganteng
growing
traje.
within them.
May mga
Come to the
laptop,
program.
mamahaling telepono.
We're glad you could join us today
Suot ko ang
as we
aking
explore the
nag-iisang
beauty
disenteng
of our
damit,
local
ang
tropical
parehong ginamit
gardens
ko sa
and the
graduation
community
ni
growing
Ricardo,
within them.
maraming
Come to
taon
the
na ang
program.
nakalipas.
We're glad you could join us
Ngunit
today
sinubukan
as we
kong huwag
explore the
isipin
beauty
yun.
of our local tropical
Sinubukan
gardens
kong
and the
tamasahin ang
community
biyahe.
growing within them. Come to the
Narating namin ang
program.
Maynila ng
We're
alas
glad you
2
could
ng
join us
hapon.
today as we
Sa
explore the
estasyon,
beauty of our
tulad ng
local
ipinangako
tropical
ng
gardens
abogada,
and the
may isang
community
super na
growing within
naghihintay
them.
sa
Come to the
akin.
program.
Isang matandang
We're glad
lalaki
you
na
could
may
join us
itim na
today
uniforme
as we
at isang
explore the
plaka na may
beauty of our
pangalan ko.
local tropical gardens and
Ampersand
the
quote,
community
Aling
growing
Corazon
within
po ba?
them. Come to the
Ampersand quote,
program.
ampersand
We're
quote,
glad you could
opo,
join us
ako
today
po,
as we
ampersand
explore
quote,
the beauty
ampersand
of our
quote,
local
maraming
tropical
salamat
gardens
po.
and the community
Ako po
growing
si
within
Hector.
them. Come to the program.
Narito po ako
We're
upang
glad you could
ihatid
join
kayo
us
kay
today
Doña
as we
Maribel.
explore the
Ampersand
beauty
quote,
of our
dinala
local
niya ako
tropical
sa isang
gardens
itim na
and the
kotse,
community
malaki,
growing within them.
kumikinang,
Come
isang
to the program.
Mercedes.
We're glad you could
Hindi
join
pa
us
ako
today
nakasakay sa
as we
ganitong
explore
kotse.
the beauty of our local
Ang loob ay
tropical
may
gardens
isang
and
fountain
the
sa gitna
community
ng
growing
hardin na
within
may
them.
malinaw
Come
na
to the
tubig na
program.
kumikinang sa
We're
ilalim
glad you
ng
could join
araw.
us today as we
Binuksan
explore
ni
the
Hector
beauty
ang
of our
pinto para
local
sa
tropical
akin.
gardens and the
Ampersand
community
quote,
growing
sige
within
po,
them. Come
Aling,
to the program.
hinihintay po kayo.
We're glad you
Ampersand
could join
quote,
us today
bumaba ako
as
sa
we
kotse
explore
ng
the
may
beauty
nanginginig
of
na
our
mga
local
binti.
tropical gardens and the
Naglakad ako
community
patungo sa
growing within
pangunahing
them.
pinto.
Come to the program.
Bago ko pa
We're
man
glad you
makatok
could
ang
join us
pinto,
today
bumukas
as we
ito
explore
at
the
naroroon
beauty
siya,
of our
si
local
Maribel.
tropical gardens and
Ngunit
the
hindi
community
ito ang
growing
Maribel na
within them.
nakilala ko
Come
sa
to the
kalye.
program. We're
Ang
glad you
Maribel
could
na
join us
ito ay
today
nakasuot
as
ng
we
isang
explore the
eleganteng
beauty
beige
of
na
our
damit.
local tropical gardens
Ang kanyang
and the
puting buhok
community
ay
growing
perpektong
within them.
inayos.
Come to the program.
Nakasuot
We're
siya
glad
ng
you
isang
could join us
kwintas ng
today
perlas
as we
at simpleng
explore the
hikaw.
beauty of our local
Iba ang
tropical
kanyang
gardens
itsura,
and the
ngunit
community
pareho ang
growing
kanyang
within
mga
them.
mata.
Come to the program.
Ang mga
We're
matalinong
glad
mata
you
na
could join
puno
us
ng
today
kabutihan.
as we explore the beauty of
Ampersand
our
quote,
local tropical
Corazon,
gardens
ampersand
and the
quote, sabi
community
niya,
growing
may
within
ngiti,
them. Come to
ampersand
the
quote,
program.
maligayang
We're
pagdating
glad
sa
you could
aking
join us
tahanan,
today as we
ampersand quote.
explore the beauty of our
Kung
local
nakikinig pa
tropical
po kayo
gardens
hanggang
and
dito,
the community
tulungan ni
growing
ampersand
within them.
apos,
Come
iyo
to the
po ako.
program. We're glad you
Mag-comment
could
po
join us
kayo ng
today
numerong
as we
ampersand
explore the
apos,
beauty
isa
of our
ampersand
local
apos,
tropical
sa
gardens
ibaba,
and the
para malaman
community
kung
growing
mayroon pa
within
ring
them.
mga
Come to
kasama
the
akong
program.
naglalakbay sa
We're
kwentong
glad you could
ito.
join us today as
Ang
we
inyong
explore the
presensya po
beauty
ang
of our local
pinakamalaking
tropical
inspirasyon
gardens
para
and the
maipagpatuloy
community
ko ang
growing
huling
within them.
bahagi
Come to
at
the
para
program.
maibahagi ang
We're
mga
glad you
aral
could
na
join us
bumago
today
sa aking
as we
buhay.
explore the beauty of our
Maraming
local
salamat
tropical
po,
gardens
mga
and the
kaibigan ng
community
ampersand
growing
apos,
within them.
tahimik
Come
na
to the
ina-ampersand
program.
apos.
We're glad you could join us
Hindi ko
today
alam ang
as we
sasabihin.
explore the beauty of our local
Nanatili akong
tropical
nakatayo
gardens
roon,
and the
nakabuka
community
ang bibig,
growing within them.
sinusubukang
Come to the
iproseso ang
program.
aking
We're
nakikita.
glad you could join us today
Lumapit
as
si
we
Maribel
explore
at
the
niyakap
beauty
ako.
of our local tropical
Ampersand
gardens
quote,
and the
patawarin
community
mo ako sa
growing within
panlilin
them.
lang,
Come to
anak,
the program.
ngunit kailangan
We're
kong
glad you could join
siguraduhin.
us today
Ampersand
as
quote,
we we explore the
ampersand
beauty
quote,
of our local
siguraduhin po
tropical
saan,
gardens
ampersand
and the
quote,
community
ampersand
growing
quote,
within
na
them.
mayroon
Welcome
pa
to the
ring mga
program.
mabubuting tao
We're
sa
glad you
mundong
could
ito.
join us today as we
At
explore the
ipinakita mo sa
beauty
akin
of
na
our
mayroon,
local tropical
ampersand
gardens
quote,
and the
hinawakan niya
community
ang aking
growing
kamay
within
at
them.
dinala
Welcome
ako
to the
sa loob.
program. We're glad
Mas
you could join us
kahanga-hanga ang
today
bahay
as
sa
we
loob.
explore the beauty of
Mga
our
sahig
local
na marmol,
tropical gardens
eleganteng
and the
muebles,
community
mga kwadro
growing
sa
within
dinding,
them. Welcome to
isang
the
hagdan na
program.
gawa sa kahoy
We're
na
glad you
papunta
could
sa
join us
ikalawang
today
palapag.
as we explore the beauty
Ampersand
of our
quote,
local
halika,
tropical
umupo
gardens
ka,
and the
marami tayong
community growing
pag-uusapan.
within them.
Ampersand
Welcome to the
quote,
program.
umupo kami sa sala.
We're glad you could join us today
Isang
as we
kasambahay ang
explore
nagdala
the
sa
beauty
amin
of
ng
our
kape
local
at
tropical
biskwit.
gardens and the
Hindi ko
community
mapigilang
growing
tignan
within
ang
them.
lahat sa
Welcome to the
paligid ko.
program. We're glad
Parang
you could
nasa
join us
isang
today
panaginip
as
ako.
we explore the beauty of our
Ampersand
local
quote, sa
tropical
tingin ko
gardens
marami kang
and the
tanong,
community
ampersand
growing
quote,
within them.
sabi ni
Welcome to the
Maribel.
program. We're glad you could
quote,
join us
bakit
today
po,
as we
quote,
explore the
iyon lang
beauty
ang
of our
nasabi
local
ko.
tropical gardens and the
Quote,
community
bakit
growing
po
within
nagpanggap
them.
bilang
Come to
isang
the
taong
program.
hindi kayo?
We're glad you could join us today
bumuntong
as
hininga
we
si
explore the
Maribel.
beauty of our local tropical
Quote,
gardens
dahil
and the
natutunan ko sa
community
mga
growing
nakaraang
within
taon
them.
na
Come to
binabago
the
ng pera
program.
ang mga tao.
We're glad you could join us
Kapag
today
alam ng
as
mga
we
tao
explore
na
the
may pera
beauty
ka,
of our local
nagbabago ang
tropical
kanilang
gardens
pakikitungo
and
sa
the community
Apos
growing
yo.
within them. Come to the
Hindi mo
program.
na alam kung
We're
mahal ka
glad you
nila
could join us
dahil sa
today
kung sino
as
ka
we
o
explore
dahil
the
sa kung
beauty
ano
of our
ang mayroon
local
ka.
tropical gardens and
Kaya,
the community
bawat taon
growing
tuwing
within them.
Kapaskuhan,
Come to the
nagpapanggap
program.
ako at
We're glad
lumalabas
you
sa
could
kalye
join us
upang
today
makita
as
kung
we
paano
explore
ako
the
tinatrato
beauty
ng
of our
mga
local
tao kapag
tropical
sa tingin
gardens
nila wala
and the
akong
community
anuman.
growing within them.
Quote,
Come to the program.
quote, ngunit
We're glad you
malungkot
could
po
join
yun.
us today as we
Quote,
explore the beauty
quote,
of our
ngunit
local tropical
kailangan.
gardens and the
Alam mo ba
community
kung ilang
growing
tao
within
ang
them.
tumulong
Come
sa
to the
akin sa
program.
loob ng 5
We're
taon
glad you
na
could join us
ginagawa ko
today
ito?
as we explore the
Quote,
beauty of our local tropical
sabi po ng
gardens
inyong
and the
abogada,
community growing within them. Come
quote,
to the program.
quote,
We're glad you
eksakto,
could join us
tatlo.
today as we
Sa
explore
5
the
taon.
beauty of our local tropical
Ikaw ang
gardens
ikatlo,
and the
at ang
community
nag-isang
growing
nagbahagi
within
ng
them. Come to
kakaunting
the
mayroon ka
program.
nang hindi
We're
nag-isip
glad you
ng
could join
dalawang
us today
beses.
as we explore the beauty of our local
Hindi ko
tropical
po iyon
gardens
ginawa
and the
para sa
community
pera o
growing
gantimpala.
within them. Come
Ginawa
to
ko
the
po iyon
program.
dahil
We're
yun
glad
ang
you could
tama.
join us today as we explore the beauty of our
Quote,
local
alam ko
tropical
at
gardens
kaya ka
and the
narito.
community growing
Quote,
within them.
uminom si
Come to the
Maribel ng
program.
kanyang kape.
We're glad you could join us today
Quote,
as we
hayaan
explore
mong
the
ikwento
beauty
ko
of
sa
our local
Apos,
tropical
yo kung
gardens
sino
and the
talaga ako.
community growing within them.
Ang aking
Come to the
buong pangalan
program.
ay Maribel
We're glad you
Sandoval
could
de
join us
Ocho.
today as we explore the
70
beauty of our
tapos,
local tropical
5 taong
gardens
gulang na
and the
ako.
community growing within
Biyuda
them.
ako sa
Come
loob
to the
ng
program.
20 taon.
We're glad you could join us
Ang
today
aking
as
asawa,
we
si
explore the
Ernesto
beauty
Ocho,
of our
ay
local
may-ari ng
tropical
isang
gardens
kadena ng mga
and the
tindahan
community
ng
growing
hardware.
within them. Come to the
Nang mamatay
program.
siya,
We're
iniwan
glad
niya
you
sa
could join
akin
us
ang
today
lahat.
as we explore the
Ang
beauty
kumpanya,
of our
ang mga
local tropical
ari-arian, ang
gardens
mga
and the
pamumuhunan.
community growing within them.
Naging
Come to the
napakayaman kong
program.
babae.
We're glad you could
Quote,
join us
kuminto
today
siya.
as we explore the beauty of our
Quote,
local
ngunit hindi
tropical
nagbibigay
gardens
ng
and the
kaligayahan ng
community
pera,
growing
corazon.
within them. Come to the program.
Nagbibigay ito ng
We're glad you
ginhawa.
could join us today as we
Seguridad.
explore the beauty of our
Ngunit
local
hindi ito
tropical
nagbibigay
gardens
ng
and the
pagmamahal,
community
hindi ito
growing within
nagbibigay
them.
ng
Come to the
kumpanya,
program.
hindi ito
We're
nagbibigay
glad
ng
you could join
layunin.
us today as we explore the beauty of our
ang
local
inyong anak
tropical
po.
gardens
Sinabi niyo
and the
pong may anak
community
kayo.
growing within them. Come
Quote,
to the
basa ang
program.
mga mata ni
We're
Maribel.
glad you could join us today as we
Quote,
explore
si
the beauty
Mariana,
of our
ang
local
aking
tropical
nag-iisang
gardens and the community
Ang
growing
ikinuwento
within
ko sa
them. Come to the
Apos,
program.
yun ang gabing
We're
iyon ay
glad you could
totoo.
join us today as we
Namatay siya
explore
sa
the
kanser
beauty of our
15
local
taon na
tropical
ang
gardens
nakalipas.
and the community growing
30
within
ang percent
them. Come to
Apos,
the program.
5 taong
We're
gulang
glad
siya.
you could join us today as we
Ibinenta ko ang
explore
lahat
the
ng kaya
beauty
kong
of our
ibenta
local
para
tropical
lang
gardens
mabayaran ang
and the
kanyang
community
paggamot.
growing within them. Come to
Bueno,
the
hindi
program.
lahat, ngunit
We're glad
marami
you could
at
join
hindi
us
ito
today
gumana.
as we explore the
Namatay
beauty of
siya
our
sa
local
aking mga
tropical
bisig noong
gardens and the
ika-negatibo
community
26
growing
ng
within them.
Hulyo,
Come to the program.
2009.
We're glad you could join us today as we explore the
patawad
beauty
po.
of our local tropical gardens
Quote,
and the
simula
community
noon,
growing within
nag-isa
them.
na ako,
Come to the
ganap na
program.
nag-isa.
We're glad you could join us
Wala
today
akong mga
as we
kapatid.
explore the beauty of our
Matagal nang
local
namatay ang
tropical
aking mga
gardens
magulang.
and the community growing
Wala
within
akong
them.
mga
Come to the
pamangkin o
program.
malapit na pinsan.
We're glad you could join us today
Mayroon lang
as we
akong mga
explore the
empleyado,
beauty of
mga
our local
abogado,
tropical
mga
gardens
accountant,
and the
mga taong
community growing
nagtatrabaho
within
para
them.
sa
Come to
akin.
the program.
Ngunit hindi ako
We're
tunay
glad
na
you could
kilala.
join us today as we
Quote,
explore the
tinitigan ako
beauty
ni
of our
Maribel ng
local
direkta
tropical
sa mata.
gardens and the community growing
Quote,
within them.
kaya kita
Come to the
hinahanap,
program.
corazon,
We're
dahil
glad
nang
you could join
makita
us
kitang
today
tinutulungan
as we
ako ng
explore the
gabing
beauty
iyon,
of our
nakita
local
ko ang
tropical
isang bagay na
gardens
hindi ko
and the
nakita sa
community
maraming
growing
taon.
within them. Come to the
Tunay
program.
na kabutihan,
We're glad
tunay
you
na
could join
habag.
us today as we
At
explore
naisip
the
ko,
beauty
ito
of
ang
our
taong
local
gusto kong
tropical
makasama.
gardens and the
Quote,
community growing
quote.
within them.
Ngunit,
Come to the
Doña
program.
Maribel, hindi po
We're
ako
glad you could join
espesyal.
us today as we
Isa po
explore the
akong simpleng
beauty of our
babae
local
mula sa
tropical
probinsya.
gardens and the community
Wala po akong
growing
alam
within
sa
them.
mundong ito.
Come to the program.
Quote,
We're glad you could join us
kaya nga
today
kita
as
gusto
we
rito,
explore the
dahil
beauty
hindi
of
mo
our
ako
local
tinitingnan
tropical
bilang pera,
gardens and the
tinitingnan mo
community
ako bilang
growing within
tao,
them.
bilang
Come to the
matandang
program.
iyon na nasa kalye,
We're glad you could join us today
salamin,
as
at
we
binigyan mo
explore
ng
the
iyong
beauty of our
Amerikana nang
local
hindi
tropical
iniisip ang
gardens
halaga.
and the community
Quote.
growing within them. Come to the
Kinuha niya
program.
ang isang sobre
We're glad
mula
you
sa
could join
bulsa
us
ng
today
kanyang damit.
as we explore the beauty of our
Quote,
local tropical
corazon,
gardens
gusto kong
and the
mag-alok sa
community growing within
Apos.
them. tourism.
yo,
Welcome to
at
the
gusto kong
program.
pag-isipan mo
We're
ito
glad
ng
you could join us
mabuti
today
bago ka
as we
sumagot.
explore the
Ampersand
beauty
quote,
of our local
binuksan niya ang
tropical
sobre.
gardens and the community
Sa loob ay
growing
may
within
ilang
them.
mga
Welcome to
dokumento.
the program. We're glad
Ampersand
you could
quote,
join us today
inaalok kong
as we
manirahan ka
explore
rito
the beauty
kasama
of
ko
our
sa
local
bahay na ito.
tropical gardens and the
Magkakaroon
community
ka ng
growing
sarili
within
mong
them.
silid,
Welcome to the
sarili mong
program.
banyo,
We're
3
glad you
beses
could
na
join us
pagkain
today
sa isang
as we
araw,
explore the
damit kung
beauty of our
kailangan mo.
local tropical gardens
Isang
and
buwan
the
ng sahod
community
na
growing within
30,000
them.
piso,
Welcome to the
hindi
program.
20 ampersand
We're glad you
tapos,
could join us
hindi 5.
today as we explore the
Tulad ng
beauty
sinabi
of
sa
our local
ampersand
tropical
apos, Yoni
gardens
Gabriela.
and the community growing
Hiniling
within
kong
them.
sabihin
Welcome to
niya
the
na mas
program.
mababa para
We're
hindi ka
glad you could
matakot.
join us today
Ampersand
as
quote,
we explore the
30,000
beauty of our
piso.
local tropical
Iyon
gardens
ay mas
and the
malaking pera
community
kaysa sa
growing
nakita kong
Come to
pinagsama
the
sa buong
program.
buhay ko.
We're glad you could join us today as we
Ang
explore
tanging
the
hiling ko lang
beauty of our
kapalit ay ang
local
iyong
tropical
kumpanya
gardens
na
and the
mag-almusal
community
ka kasama
growing
ko,
within them.
na manood
Come to
ka
the
ng mga
program.
pelikula
We're
kasama
glad
ko,
you could join
na
us
ikwento
today
mo sa
as we
akin ang iyong
explore the
buhay,
beauty
na
of our
gawin
local
natin ng
tropical
magkasama ang
gardens
ginagawa
and the
ng mga
community
magkaibigan.
growing within them.
Dahil yun
Come
ang
to the
gusto ko,
program.
Corazon.
We're glad you could join us
Isang
today
kaibigan,
as we
hindi
explore
isang
the beauty
empleyado,
of our
isang
local
kaibigan,
tropical
ang
gardens and the
percent
community
nagsimulang
growing
tumulo
within
ang
them.
mga
Come
luha
to
sa
the
aking
program.
mukha.
We're glad you could
Ang
join us
percent
today
ngunit,
as we
Doña
explore the
Maribel,
beauty
hindi
of
ko
our
po ito
local tropical
karapat-dapat.
gardens and the community
Tinulungan ko
growing
lang po
within
kayo
them.
ng gabing
Come to the
yun
program.
dahil
We're
mabuti
glad
kang
you could
tao,
join us
at ang
today
mabuting
as we
tao ay
explore the beauty
karapat-dapat
of
sa
our local
mabubuting
tropical
bagay.
gardens and the
Hindi
community
ka tinrato
growing
ng
within
mabuti
them.
ng
Come
buhay,
to the
Corazon.
program. We're glad you could
Nakita
join
ko
us
yun sa
today
iyong mga
as
mata
we
ng
explore
gabing
the
yun.
beauty of our local
Nakita
tropical
ko ang
gardens
sakit,
and the
nakita ko ang
community growing
pag-abandona,
within them.
nakita ko
Come
ang
to the program.
kalungkutan.
We're glad you could
Dalawang
join us
babae
today
tayong
as we
nag-iisa,
explore the
nakaupo
beauty
sa
of
isang
our local
malamig na
tropical
portal.
gardens
Walang
and
sinumang
the
may gusto
community
sa
growing
akin.
within
Ang
them.
percent
Come to
quote,
the
ang
program.
percent quote,
We're
totoo
glad you
po,
could join
ang
us
percent
today
quote,
as we
bulong ko.
explore the beauty of our
Ang
local
percent
tropical
quote, ngunit
gardens
hindi mo
and
na
the
kailangang
community
mag-isa.
growing within them. Come to the
Ayoko na rin
program.
mag-isa pa.
We're glad you could join us
Pwede
today
nating
as we
alagaan ng
explore
isa
the
ang
beauty
percent
of our
apos,
local
Li isa.
tropical gardens and the
Pwede tayong
community
maging
growing
pamilya
within
na
them.
pareho
Come to
nating
the
nawala.
program.
Ang percent
We're
quote,
glad you could
tumayo
join us
ako.
today as we explore
Lumakad
the
ako
beauty
patungo
of
sa
our local
bintana.
tropical gardens and the
Tiningnan ko ang
community
perpektong
growing within
hardin,
them.
ang
Come to
fountain
the
na
program.
kumikinang, ang
We're glad
malinaw
you
na
could
asul
join us
na
today
langit sa
as
ibabaw
we
ng
explore the
Maynila.
beauty of our local
Naisip
tropical
ko ang
gardens
aking bahay,
and the
ang
community
probinsya,
growing within
ang
them. Come
labanderya,
to the
ang
program.
aking walang
We're glad
katapusang
you
mga
could join
araw
us
sa
today
paglalaban
as
ng
we
damit ng
explore
iba,
the beauty
ang
of our
aking
local
malungkot na
tropical
mga gabi
gardens
sa harap ng
and the community
telebisyon,
growing
ang
within
aking
them.
mga
Come to the
nakalimutang
program.
kaarawan.
We're glad you could
At
join us today
pagkatapos,
as we
naisip ko si
explore the
Ricardo
beauty
kung
of our
paano niya
local
isinara
tropical
ang
gardens
pinto,
and
kung
the
paano niya
community
ako
growing
hindi
within them.
tinawagan
Come
sa
to the
aking
program.
kaarawan, kung
We're
paano
glad
niya
you
ako
could join us
tinrato na
today
parang
as we
isang
explore
sagabal.
the beauty of our local
At may kung
tropical
anong bagay
gardens
sa loob ko
and
ang
the
nabasag,
community growing
ngunit
within
hindi
them.
dahil sa
Come to the
lungkot,
program.
kundi dahil sa
We're glad you
kalayaan.
could join us today as
Lumingon
we
ako kay
explore the
Maribel.
beauty of our local
Ang
tropical
percent quote,
gardens and the
tinatanggap ko po,
community
ang
growing
percent
within
quote,
them.
sabi
Come
ko.
to the program.
Ang
We're
percent
glad you
quote,
could join us
tinatanggap
today
ko po ang
as we
inyong
explore
alok,
the
ang
beauty
percent
of our
quote.
local tropical gardens
Ngumiti si
and the
Maribel,
community
tumayo,
growing within
lumakad
them.
patungo
Come to
sa
the
akin,
program.
at niyakap
We're
ako ng
glad you could join
mahigpit.
us today as we
Ang
explore
percent
the
quote,
beauty of
salamat,
our local
Corazon.
tropical gardens and the
Salamat sa
community
pagbibigay ng
growing within them.
pagkakataon sa
Come to the
matandang
program.
nag-isang ito.
We're
Ang
glad you
percent
could join
quote,
us
ang
today
percent
as we
quote,
explore
salamat
the
po sa
beauty of
inyo,
our local
Doña
tropical
Maribel,
gardens
sa
and
pagtingin
the
sa akin,
community
sa
growing
pagtingin
within
sa
them.
aking
Come to
puso
the
nang walang
program.
sinuman ang
We're
gumawa
glad you
nito.
could join us
Ang
today
percent quote,
as we explore the
nanatili kaming
beauty of our
magkayakap sa
local
loob ng
tropical
tila walang
gardens
hanggan.
and the community growing
Dalawang
within them.
babaeng
Come to
nawalan
the
ng lahat.
program. We're glad you could
Dalawang
join us
babaeng
today
nagkita sa
as we
tamang
explore the
sandali na
beauty
higit
of our
nilang
local
kailangan ang
tropical
isa ang
gardens
percent
and
apos,
the community
isa.
growing within them.
Ang
Come to the
percent quote,
program.
kailan mo
We're
gustong
glad you
lumipat?
could join
Ang
us
percent
today
quote,
as we
tanong ni
explore the
Maribel.
beauty of our local
Ang
tropical
percent, sobra
gardens
po ito.
and the
Ang
community
percent quote,
growing
ang
within
percent
them.
quote,
Come to the
hindi ito
program.
sobra.
We're glad you could
Ito
join
ang
us today
nararapat sa
as we
ampersand
explore
apos,
the
yo.
beauty of our local
At
tropical
Corazon,
gardens
isa
and
pang
the
bagay,
community
ang
growing
percent
within
quote,
them. Come
inabutan
to the
niya ako ng
program.
isang mas
We're
makapal na
glad you could
sobre.
join us today as
Ang
we
percent
explore the
quote, sa
beauty
loob
of our
nito
local
ay
tropical
200,000
gardens
piso na
and the
cash
community
para
growing
maayos
within
mo
them.
ang iyong
Come
mga
to the
gawain
program.
sa probinsya.
We're glad you could join us
Para
today
mabayaran
as
mo
we
ang
explore
anumang
the
utang mo
beauty of
para
our local
makabili ka ng
tropical
mga bagong
gardens
damit
and
kung
the community
kailangan mo.
growing within them.
Para
Come to
sa
the
anumang
program.
gusto mo, ang
We're glad
percent
you could
quote,
join us
ang percent
today
quote,
as we
Doña
explore the
Maribel,
beauty
hindi
of
ko
our
po
local
pwedeng
tropical
tanggapin ang
gardens
ganito
and
kalaking
the
pera.
community
Ang
growing
percent
within
quote,
them.
ang
Come to the
percent quote,
program.
pwede mo
We're
at
glad you
gagawin
could
mo
join us
dahil
today
gusto
as
kong
we
gawin ito,
explore the
dahil
beauty
kaya
of our
kong gawin
local
ito.
tropical
At
gardens
dahil
and the
karapat-dapat ka
community
rito,
growing
ang
within
percent
them.
quote,
Come to the
kinuha ko ang
program.
sobre ng
We're
may
glad you
nanginginig
could
na
join
mga
us
kamay.
today as we explore the
Hindi pa ako
beauty of our
nakahawak ng
local tropical
200,000
gardens
piso
and the
sa aking
community
mga kamay.
growing within them. Come to the
Hindi ko
program.
kailanman inakala
We're
na
glad you could join
magkakaroon
us
ako
today
nito.
as we explore the
Ang percent
beauty of
quote,
our
hindi
local
ko po alam
tropical
ang
gardens
sasabihin.
and the
Ang percent
community
quote,
growing
ang
within
percent
them.
quote,
Come to
huwag
the
kang
program. program.
salita.
We're glad you could join us
Pangako mo lang
today
sa akin
as
ang
we
isang
explore the
bagay.
beauty of our local tropical gardens
Ano
and
po
the
iyon?
community growing within them. Come to the
Na
program.
magiging masaya
We're
ka
glad you
dito.
could join us today
Nahahayaan mo ang
as we
iyong
explore
sarili
the
na maging
beauty of
masaya.
our local
Naiiwan
tropical
mo ang
gardens
sakit at
and the
bubuksan ang
community
iyong
growing
puso sa
within them.
bagong buhay
Come to
na
the
ito.
program. We're
po,
glad you could join
tiningnan
us
ko siya
today
sa mata
as we
at nakita
explore
ko
the
sa
beauty
kanya
of
ang
our
isang
local
bagay na
tropical
hindi ko
gardens
nakita sa
and the
mahabang
community
panahon.
growing within them. Come to the
Pag-asa.
program. We're glad you could join us today
ipinapangako
as
ko
we
po,
explore the
Doña
beauty
Maribel,
of our local tropical gardens and the
Nang hapong
community
iyon,
growing within
dinala
them.
ako ni
Come to
Hector
the
pabalik
program.
sa istasyon ng
We're glad
bus.
you could join us today as
Niyakap
we
ako ni
explore the
Maribel
beauty
bago
of
ako
our
umalis.
local tropical gardens
Ampersand
and the
ko at
community
hihintayin
growing
kita,
within them.
Corazon.
Come to the program.
Sa
We're
wakas,
glad you could join us
magkakaroon na
today
ulit ng
as
buhay
we
ang
explore
bahay na
the
ito.
beauty of our
Ampersand
local
ko, sa
tropical
buong
gardens
biyahe pa
and
uwi,
the
hindi
community
ko
growing
mapigilang
within
ngumiti.
them. Come to the program.
Sa unang
We're glad you
pagkakataon
could
sa
join us
maraming
today
taon,
as we
naramdaman
explore
kong
the
may
beauty
layunin
of
ang
our
aking
local
buhay
tropical
na may
gardens
gustong
and the
makasama ako
community
na
growing
mahalaga
within them.
ako.
Come to the program.
Ngunit may
We're
isang
glad
bagay
you
pa
could
rin na
join us
sumasakit
today
sa
as
akin.
we explore
Isang
the beauty
pag-isip
of
na
our
hindi ko
local
maalis
tropical
sa aking
gardens
ulo.
and the community
Dapat
growing
ko bang
within them.
sabihin kay
Come to the
Ricardo?
program. We're glad
Dapat
you
ko
could
bang
join us
sabihin sa
today
kanya
as
na
we
lilipat
explore
ako
the
sa
beauty
Maynila?
of our local tropical
Mag-aalala
gardens
ba siya?
and the community growing
Isang
within them.
bahagi ng
Welcome to the
akin ay
program.
gustong tumawag sa
We're glad
kanya.
you could join us today
Gustong
as we explore
sabihin,
the beauty
ko,
of our local
tingnan mo,
tropical
anak,
gardens
nagbago ang
and the
aking
community
buhay.
growing within them.
Hindi
Welcome to
na
the
ako ang
program.
mahirap na ina na
We're glad you
ikinahiya
could
mo.
join us today as we
Ngayon,
explore the
nakatira
beauty
ako
of
sa
our
isang
local
mayamang
tropical
babae.
gardens and the community
Ngayon, may
growing
pera
within
na
them.
ako,
Welcome to the program.
Ngunit
We're
ang isa
glad you
pang
could join us
bahagi,
today
ang mas
as we
malakas na
explore the
bahagi,
beauty of
ay
our local
nagsasabing
tropical
hindi na
gardens
kung nagawa
and
ni
the
Ricardo
community
na isara
growing
ang
within
pinto
them.
sa
Welcome to
aking
the program.
pinakamasamang san.
We're glad you could join us
At
today
dito
as we
nagtatapos ang
explore
kwento
the
ni
beauty
Aling
of our
Corazon.
local tropical gardens
Ano ang
and the
masasabi niyo
community
sa naging
growing
desisyon
within
ni
them.
Aling
Welcome to the
Corazon?
program. We're glad
Mayroon
you
ba
could
kayong
join us
gagawin na
today
iba
as
kung
we
kayo ang
explore the
nasa
beauty
kanyang
of our
kalagayan?
local tropical gardens
Ibahagi
and
po
the
ninyo ang
community
inyong mga
growing within
saloobin
them.
sa comment
Welcome to the
section.
program.
Binabasa ko
We're
po
glad
ang
you could
bawat
join us
isa sa
today
mga ito.
as we explore the
Kung
beauty
ang
of our
kwentong ito
local
ay
tropical
nagbigay sa
gardens
inyo ng
and the
aral o
community
nakaantig
growing
sa
within
inyong
them. Welcome
damdamin,
to the
huwag po
program.
ninyong
We're
kalimutang
glad you could
mag-iwan
join
ng
us
like.
today as
Ibahagi
we
ito sa
explore the
taong alam
beauty of
ninyong
our local
makakaunawa
tropical
rin.
gardens
At
and the
mag-subscribe sa
community
channel na
growing within
tahimik na
them.
ina
Welcome
para
to the
hindi
program.
mahuli sa mga
We're
susunod
glad you
pang
could join
hiwaga
us
ng
today
buhay.
as we explore the
Hanggang
beauty
sa
of our
susunod na
local
kwento
tropical
at
gardens
malay
and
natin,
the
sa
community
susunod na
growing within them.
pagkakataon baka
Welcome to
ang
the
kwento mo
program.
na ang ating
We're glad you could
pakikinggan.
join us today